Hi, good morning. Right. Welcome to Wednesday. Good morning, Patelji. How are you? Happy morning, Jerry. Hi, good to see you. This one, bro. Hi, good morning. Marshall sent mango lassi. Good morning, bro. Cheers. Lovely, man. And samosa. What a way to start the morning, man. Hello. Hi, good morning. Very good morning. Right, people. Let's see. Let's see what's what. I think the stop and zone was it? Two. Yeah, we consider this the stop and zone. Oops. Good morning, Karan, bro. Good morning from Chennai, man. Welcome, welcome, guys. Chitra. Good morning. Stop on. All right. These will become our zones today. We have another one here. Got to be careful on that. I will send you black coffee. But LJ, I'm not sure how people drink black coffee, man. It's too strong for me. A lot of people love black coffee. But bro, black tea, yeah, I can actually take black tea. But black coffee doesn't make sense. Do you drink black coffee, Patelji? Right. Let's check news this morning. What is it? 29th of July, right? Well, half the month is almost done. There's Australian CPI coming out. Who cares? Oh, FOMC tonight. Okay, gotta be careful on that. You get used to that. I kept drinking lattes, but it's better without the milk. Yep, guys, that is good, but I'm pretty, how do I say? I don't enjoy it that much, but I have tried it. Trust me, it's too raw for me. Yes, you can try once. It will hard for few days later on. You will be addicted to it. That's the thing too. I don't want to get addicted to anything. No addictions here. Good morning, Nava. How's it going? It's a habit. It's same as trying Indian spice food for the first time. No. Yeah, bro. Guys, nowadays I'm finding it very hard to eat spice. It's very hard for me because my mom has decreased the spice in the house. So whenever I get out to have some food. Man, very hard. Dr. Kumasa, good morning. Thank you for joining. Man, I had to tell you, bro. So the book that you suggested, I ordered it twice. I've never had this experience with Amazon. The first time I did it, they said they delivered the book after 2 days. I didn't get it. So my wife complained, raised a complaint to Amazon. They were like, okay, do you want a refund or do you want reshipment? We were like, get it back to us. And it was supposed to be delivered yesterday. Still hasn't got it. I don't know what they're doing. I've never had this experience with Amazon, but Dr. Kumasa, I thought I'd show you the book after I got it, but I don't know what it is. Haven't got the book after a week, man. Twice. This has happened twice. Very disappointed. Usually never happens with Amazon. But I think I should get it in person. What's the book name? Please, can you buy it in Kindle? No, I want to read it as a physical book. Guys, usually for saving a lot of money, I read it online. There is a website, a secret website wherein you can download the books for free. Um, you didn't hear that from me. So I used to read a lot of books online, but now I'm getting tired of it. Too much screen time. My mom keeps complaining. So that's why the physical book. I don't want to buy the Kindle version of it. I'd rather get a physical book, sit in my small balcony I got, and read in front of my lake. That, that's actually a nice feeling, I think. Name of the book? Something about what diamonds? Damn. Hold on. She has. Oh, I forgot the name. Dr. Kumar, can you help me out here? What? Diamonds? Oh my God. Did I send it in? Sorry. Hold on. Did I? No, I did not send that in Discord. Damn. Something about diamonds, man. Acres of diamond. My God, I had a brain freeze. Thank you, thank you. Acres of diamond. Yes, that's the name of the book. I've heard it. I think I've listened to. Yeah, listened to a podcast um, giving the summary of the book, but I did want to talk about. Sorry, read the book earlier. Hi, good morning, Danny, bro. Good morning, man. How's it going, man? Bro, are you a student or do you trade full time, bro? Because I'm fascinated by your drive to trade at midnight. So let Sandil Kumar, bro. Good morning. Carlito in the house. Let's go. Good morning. Good morning from me. All right, people. Let's see. I trade full time, bro. Hardcore, man. Hardcore. It's awesome, brother. COVID Lakshmi Kumar. Who named you, bro? Good morning, brother. What is it with COVID, man? What a name, bro. I have a 200K Holo Prime two-step Prime account loan. I've never heard of it. Holo Prime. Easy. Very interesting. Thank you, Kumar, sir. I will also read it. Excuse me. Yep. Guys, I've heard of it. I've heard about it. It should be a good read. So have fun. Do you know Tamil, sir? Sendil, sir, I'm Tamil. I am born and raised in Tamil Nadu. I speak fluent Tamil, but excuse me. But yeah. Hi, Alan. Hello. I'm actually from Telangana. Oh, okay. Welcome. I was just fascinated by the name. Facebook full of their ads. Oh, I didn't know that. Listen, guys, be very careful about buying prop firms. Do not just get a prop firm just because they're giving it in discount or they're giving a lot of ads out. Guys, always remember, getting a prop firm is not the best thing. Getting a payout is, okay? Find prop firms who have a history of, you know, good track record. You need to have payouts from them because once you do all the hard work, once you pass the account, once you get to the funding phase and get to a payout phase, you have to get a payout, right? So that's a lot of hard work, time, discipline, patience, right? Once you get there, you need that payout. So always try not to get, companies that you're not heard of. Always go to companies that has already established a very strong reputation for themselves. Once you do that, your life will be a little easier because I don't want you guys to face difficulties when it comes to payouts. So always, people, remember, why am I reading a lot about them introducing so many rules that's impossible to trade with a prop firm? They make it on purpose or do you collect entry money? Bro, it is impossible to trade if you're a gambler. Definitely impossible because people who lack discipline and risk management are going to fail, and that's where they make their money. But people like you and me, at least we try to hold the discipline, right? So we try to have the discipline and the patience to do it in the long term to get payouts. So once we get that, I think it'll be easier to milk them for money. Initially, yeah, you are going to leave a lot of money on the table when it comes to prop firms. Not even leave the money, you lose the money to prop firms, but eventually, man, you're going to make 10 folds out of them. So as long as you guys are disciplined enough you know, and are relentless and persistent enough to pursue this, you'll make it in prop firm industry. Trust me. FTMO funny pips are my favorites. Absolutely. Mauricio, that's it. Funny pips and FTMO as well as Fun Index also decent. Top Step if you want to go for futures from these are all good names. These have been here. I think I'm pretty sure the Top Step has been here for more than 14 years. Good firms, man. They will give you payouts without a blink of an eye. I've never heard of people complaining in terms of Top Step did this, Top Step did that. They denied my payout. They denied my life phase. Nothing like that. Pretty good. So always go with those firms, people. What do you think of FTMO, bro? They're a bit on the premium end, man. I don't have $1,500 for a 100K account, bro. I'm not going to give that kind of money because that's kind of heavy for me. I'd rather give it to Top Step or Funding Pips. That's my honest opinion, guys. It's up to you. And also, they have a trailing drawdown. Doesn't work with me, man. Funding Pips doesn't give a trailing drawdown. I love that. Uh, Screen is not stuck. I'm not moving the screen, people. Screen is just staying put, I think. Yeah, you see the timer on the right? That's running. And the timer on the bottom. Not today. Guys, I had an issue yesterday. Since I'm doing the course, that's a lot of data coming into the Mac. Um, It's a basic Mac, man. I did not think about all this when I got this. It's just been 11 months. I just got an M1 with 256 gigs. I didn't think I was going to do live and all the data, all the videos, editing, and all that stuff. So my Mac was full in terms of memory. So I had to clear it off yesterday. I've sent all the videos for the course into my tab, into my iPad, so that now I think we shouldn't be having an issue with bloody screen. Yeah, the price is stuck on a range. I don't know why it's not moving. It's actually moving though a little bit. What the hell is going on today? That looks sad. We'll wait for price to move. Eventually it will. So don't worry, guys. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Bro, have you heard of Aquafunded? Wasim, bro, yeah, man. I have heard of it. I don't trust it though. Good morning. Why you trade prop firm funded accounts? Alan, listen, if I got the capital to trade my own, personal account, I would because me, I don't take my dad's money, even if he offers. Like stubborn kids out there. I'm that kind of a person. So we create our own money. Yeah, the plan is to get prop firms because they give a lot of funding potential, right? So I can get funding of up to $500,000 if I'm investing 3K, correct? So getting that kind of money and then getting payouts from that, then I'll invest 50% into my own personal account. But until then, so until I get a payout range of $100,000 or $200,000, I'm not getting my personal account because let's say if I put max $3,000, how much can I risk? 0.5% or 0.4%. When I get winning trades, that's going to be peanuts. I don't like that. But in the same time, if I risk the same $3,000 in a good, reputed prop firm, I'm getting $500,000 worth of funding. Okay. Again, reputed prop firms. If I have the discipline and the patience and the strategy and the risk management to apply and pass and get to a funding phase, then I'm making big money. After that, I can get a personal account. So that's the process, people. Same money, different buying power. Buying power is all you need. Being a middle class trader that I am, who blew out most of his savings in Bitcoin, I have to work with prop firms and be an independent analyst to get the capital that I need to go to my personal funding phase. So that's the reason why I do funded, guys. FTMO is not trailing drawdowns. Last time I checked, I think they had. I'm not. I can be wrong. Don't quote me on that, but interesting. Does anyone else have the memory of FTMO having trailing drawdown? Because I thought they did. Have you heard about Indian person funded room funded accounts? No, sir. Um, what is his name? Umar Punjabi. Are you talking about his prop firm? Because never doing that. But funded account is very hard to pass because there's a lot of routes. Bro, if you have the proper risk management and if you're picking something like a Flux account, which you can get now, almost no rules. As long as, drawdown, yeah, you should have rules on drawdown, but pretty flexible in terms of rules, the Flux accounts. I think you can do it, man, as long as you have the right risk management, guys, and a lot of balls to keep doing what you're doing. You should be good, man. Guys, that's an ice zone right there. It's been formed. I'll come back to the chat. The whole point of this is to trade, so I sometimes get carried away. Hold on. That is, yeah, that's a proper stop and zone. That's not an ash. Hold on. That's stop on. If this area gets taken, I look for a buy or a sell from there, right? Why did I get an alarm, man? There's a 313 going on right now. What the? See that? 3, 1, and then 3. My God, if price comes back, I'm taking that. That's the first trade for today. 313 calculator, reset points. That should be entry. That'll be stop loss. All right, guys. If price comes back, I'm taking that with 50% of my risk. 313 trade for the morning. Because, guys, remember, at the end of the month, 313 has been very successful previously. 0.15 lots. I'm not losing this. 22.13, 22.53. All right. If and when price comes back, I'll take this. Let me draw it out. Again, guys, 313, low win rate. It's up to you, but I definitely recommend you to risk lower than usual. All right. That's been put in. I'm just confirming. Yes, sir. That's a valid 313 right there. You see this? That's what I'm talking about. Three, one, three. When and if price decides, we let it come back. All right. That's entry. That's stop loss. Okay. Let's see. I put the limit order in. Let's see what happens. If price comes back, if that holds, let's see. All right. Balaji, bro. Good morning, man. Happy to see you, bro. Uh, Ranjit, bro. Very good morning. Hi. All right. FTMO. Okay. But funded account is very high. Okay. So that I'm currently funded with them. Aqua funded, bro. Man, it can be good or bad depending. I am not sure, brother. Um, it's just my opinions, guys. Listen, my experience and my opinions are the only things I share. I have not heard much about Aqua funded, but they might be good, man. So just because I haven't heard about it, that doesn't mean that they're wrong. Don't worry. Have you gotten your payout yet? Nah, man. I'm in the second phase, bro. Hopefully soon. Recently about Aqua funded, bro. Nice, man. Carlito, all you need is a 100K account. 1% profit a day is life changing. That's where I'm from. Oh, okay. A day changes where I'm from. Absolutely, bro. 1% a day. Come on, man. I don't think that's realistic, Carlito. Guys, always have realistic goals. Have 5% a month. That's a beautiful goal to have. Five, because listen, 1% a day. Come on, that's bonkers. It is possible, but that's bonkers. Don't push it too hard. For me, I'd rather have a goal of 3 to 8% a month. That's the goal, right? May we achieve nine? Phew, that was awesome. Um, but that's a goal, right? You strive to hit it every month. As long as you try your best and keep going, you should get it, man. Because 5% in 100K, that's $5,000, hands down. Where I'm from, Carlito, you're right, man. Even 1% is big money. I can run my month with 1%, like happily. Guys, that's a good push. I wish we were tapped in. And remember, if it goes to 1:8, I can't trade it. I'm gonna without the buffer. So I'm just gonna put down where 1:8 sits. 1:8 is sitting somewhere here. So I'm gonna put that so that when price gets there, I'll know. All right. Let's see if price comes back. And also I'm also gonna be looking for other trades, right? So that's first Ash been tapped. If I get a long confirmation here, guys, I'll take a long. Again, Ash, 3 on 3, two different strategies. If it's in the same direction, I'll take it. Guys, I'll come back to the comments. I know there is a few, but trading comes first. Let's see, I have 2 more minutes to decide because that's been breached, that candle. If that closes, I'll try to get in, all right? But I need a strong closure towards the upside. Let's see if we get the tap here too. So everything happening together. I'm just going to lock in people. Give me 2 minutes. All right, I need a very strong closure. Sorry. In order to go for longs here, but let's see, man. It's already been breached, and this is the second candle that's happening. Let's see. Looks like we might get the entries after all. 1 minute, 18 seconds. Let's see. I'd love an entry here, man. Guys, again, I usually half my risk on these trades. Be careful, people. For this one, I'm risking $50. Well, let's see. I might bring some changes next month in terms of risk for 3 on 3s because I think that's been pulling us back in terms of the account itself. I'll show you what I'm talking about in a bit. Let me just confirm if there's a trade here. So as far as Ash is concerned, if the candle closes as is, that should be a short. I can't take a short because I'm sitting for this trade. This is what it is. 12 seconds. Nope, unfortunately, I cannot take that shot in Ash. That is supposed to be a shot. I'm not taking it. Okay, coming back to the chat. I look for other zones because I can't take it. We will look and play with other zones, people. And also, my 313 hasn't been tapped yet. Waiting on that too. All right. Okay, going back to the comments. Mike Agarwal is the person behind funded rooms. Okay, so I didn't know that. I'm not sure who Mike Agarwal is. Apologies. But you've lost $10,000 in prop firm accounts, then the accounts closed. You're receiving profits that you reach extra $10,000. Then you funded money. Am I right? I'm sorry. I'm trying to get this right. You lost $10,000 in prop firm accounts. Then the accounts closed. You receive profits that you reach extra $10,000. Then you funded money. I'm right. Alan, bro, I could not understand the question, man. Are you in or what? No, man. I'm waiting for the entry, bro. Right there. Sorry, man. We'll be busy till tomorrow, so won't be able to chat properly. Rajit, bro. Too busy, man. Come on, bro. Trading comes first, man. Kidding, bro. Sure, man. We'll talk to you tomorrow, bro. Don't worry. I'm not sure about your entry, but TP for sure, bro. Abhishek, bro. You think the market will pump up? That's liquidity grab. Okay. That's liquidity grab. Um, I'm not sure about that, guys. BTC. Can you analyze for BTC? Hold on. I'm actually waiting for a trade here, another one. So let's hold off on BTC yet. I'll do it for you. Don't worry. Because it's been a while since I saw BTC. I know last night I saw it at 64. Decent. Bro, how do you manage your psychology? What helps with FOMO, revenge trading, and a losing streak? Carlita, bro, great question, man. Managing psychology is the important part. Guys, I'm like everyone else, okay? When I have a losing streak, my brain automatically starts thinking about other strategies. And very rarely I give in to that temptation of, trying to search for another strategy. Or if I see another strategy video, I just look at the chart, trying to figure out if that will work. But guys, listen, that's, I acknowledge the fact that that's normal. Having a winning streak is completely okay. What do I do? I just stick to my guns, man. I go, backtest a random couple of months with my strategy and try to see if that worked in that month randomly, bro. And I see at the end of the month that it worked very well, and I get my confidence back to keep going with the strategy itself, guys. If you have a bad streak, that doesn't mean that you have to hop strategies. Hopping strategies is what got me into a lot of trouble in terms of losing a lot of money in prop firms. So hopping strategy is not an option for me anymore. um, I am human, guys. I get pissed when I get a very a very bad month, but it is what it is. I keep I keep my hopes up. I talk to my best friend, man. I think that's the mantra, bro. I just give him a call. I went out a little bit. He went out a little bit, and then we'll be like, man, it's okay, bro. Let's keep going. That's the usual conversation we have, guys. Have a support system. Have a person who understands what you get to. Got what you're going through. Why am I not getting an email on getting tapped? Yeah, I mean that's a tap, people. Let's see if this holds. So, guys, having a losing streak, it's completely fine. We had one last month, sorry, a couple of weeks ago. But staying in the game, not losing focus in terms of what you're doing, and having the discipline to follow up next day, regardless of what happened the day prior. Resetting is what that matters. So it is okay to have losing streaks, people. I hope that answers your question, Khalid. Good question, bro. Bro, your NT taken a yeah, bro. Sorry. Yes, yes, Shalini, right? Shalini Satish. Not sure if it's a bro or a sis, but yes, it is. So I'm in. Let's see if this holds. Guys, it's the end of the month. If we get a 1 to 25, man, I'd be very happy, bro. Sup, champ? I'm doing good, bro. How are you? How much balance you reach for profits and funny pips accounts? Bro, I've passed the first phase, right? I'm in the second phase. I was down by -8% on the second phase, like in drawdown, like heavy drawdown. I'm back at above -5% now. So pretty decent month in terms of pulling the account back. But guys, listen, you're gonna have those, rough weeks, right? You just have to adjust your risk, keep motoring on. That's why I love Tokyo's gas. I get to reset. I get a good night's sleep. I forget all this stop losses and I just keep going the next day, right? Early in the morning always helps. Um, so keep going. It's tapes, huh? What's tape? It's like a business, good and bad days. Absolutely, bro. Absolutely. Wasim, bro. Totally agree, man. Uh, with trading, I think I've so far had good and bad months. I think that's how I try to comprehend that. So out of 12 months, you're gonna have five very good months. Okay, very, very good months. Five bad months and two okayish months. If the five bad months have been taken care of by the five good months, you're more than good, man. You're more than good. You'll take care of yourself, your expenses, your family, everything will be inside that five good months. All you have to do is make it to those five good months. In order to do that, you need discipline, right? Every single day, regardless of how your setup looks, as long as it hits the confluences, you get in. Okay. That's all you do. You risk right. You don't you make sure that you don't overtrade. That's it. Guys, I've learned this the hard way. I don't want you to, make the same mistakes that I've done and learn it, right? Just stick to the strategies. Yeah, you can risk down or up depending on where you're at in your trading journey. But always, guys, do not lose hope in the strategies. Man, you are trading it for a reason because you've back tested it. Um, you have to stick to it. Yeah, you can risk less or higher, but never change your strategies just because you found a shiny new one. Don't abandon the strategies that has already helped you as a good track record, right? We're heading to 407. Let's see, boys. Guys, right now we should have been in a short trade according to Hash, but let's see, man. You never know, bro. 313 might surprise you, bro. The number of times 313 has surprised me, I cannot explain, bro. But usually he hits me in my teeth. I'm okay with it. What is TP? I just buy 1.5 lots. Daisy, are you kidding me? 1.5 lots? Yo, me trading this in a 25K account, I bought what? Okay, I bought 0.15 lots. How much did you risk? What? What is the account size, Daisy? Um, Again, that setup has a low win rate. I'm not sure what's going to happen here, but if it goes to 1 is to 20, you are a millionaire in India. Let's see if it does, but 200K account? Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. Apologies. Or is it $200? Bro, do you do any other work? No, man. This is all I do, bro. I trade. I think Daisy is good for a loan. Yeah, she might be, man. Risking 1.5 lots. Let's go. It's Wednesday. Wednesday has nice movement in one direction. Candido, I hope that's true, man. Because if this runs up, bro, 200K lol, okay. That makes sense. Thank you, guys. Listen, risk according to the strategy, this should be 50% risk um, of usual. risk appetite because that has a very low win rate. But if this goes scarce, which sometimes it does, we're printing money. Like Callisto says, printing money. That's a good start, though. That's a beautiful tap. I love these taps because originally my strategy was just this supply. I've added a buffer to it after my experiences, but originally is that one candle. This I used to regard as A plus setup, 313. We also have T323, but A plus was 313. Again, we never know what's going to happen here. We'll wait and watch, people. There's no TP for this, guys. There's no TP. I'm going to let this run until Tokyo ends. So whatever the price action is, I'm going to watch. If it wants to stay alive, it will. If it wants to go to stop loss, it can. Okay. Again, guys, no TP. It's a time-based exit. With this strategy, the goal is to catch as many pips as possible if it wants to go. Okay. If it wants to stop me out, fine. But if this wants to run throughout the session, the last 3-on-3 trade ran to a 1 is to 10 and then came back to a 1 is to 3. That was the last minute when I closed. So that did run to a 1 is to 10. But this setup here has the potential to run to a 1 is to 80 risk to reward within a single session. So I'm banking on that. If it comes through, fine. If it doesn't, I'm okay with it, right? That's the mindset when it comes to this strategy. We have the other strategy for a reason. That's a steady 1 is to 3. I only risk, you know, 50 or $100. Only aim for 150 or $300. That's it. It's cut and dry. This one isn't. So let's see. There's no partial targets or things like that. We'll just let it run and see what happens. When are you revealing the complete 3-on-3 strategy? Danny, bro, I'm almost done with the course, man. The course will reveal everything, bro. Trust me. But guys, you cannot trade 3-on-3 without me, man. And even when the secret is out, you need to have the whole picture because it's not easy to actually catch 3-on-3s. It's kind of complicated, but let's see. Today, this episode hit. Which episode, my brother? If you get a stop on entry in the same direction, do you take it? Yes, sir. If I get a stop on in the same direction, definitely I'll take it. Uh, Wait, is there any other any other stop on that I don't know of? Okay, that is an ash. This price created right now. If I get a long entry here, I'll take it, man. Definitely, I'll take it. And if price creates the green candle here, this will also become an ash. So, guys, excuse me. I'll be very vigilant on ash entries. If I get one, I'll definitely take it. All right. Right now, price is reacting very well off of our entry. Let's see, man. Let's see if this is the day. If this is the day, guys, I'm passing the account today because this is a monster when he makes it. Let's see, man. Let's see. I don't want to jinx it. Let's see. Even after the no, man. After the course, bro, it'll be easier for you, bro. If you understand the whole concept that I'm trying to teach you, man. After the course, it'll be a breeze to catch, bro. Don't worry. I'm saying so. We were actually thinking about this, and if people give out the conferences live or or in the Discord for free, what happens? And I was like, listen, bro, yeah, even if they spell out the confluences, it's gonna be very tough to understand and trade it like I do without the complete 9 yards, right? So yeah, you got to get through the whole thing. Set break even now, Daisy. I don't do break evens. This strategy has been designed to run. It's up to you, people. If you're risking a lot, I'd suggest do whatever feels right, right? I don't do break evens, boys. I'm okay to take a stop loss here if it's what price wants to give us. What is it now? How much did it run to? Maybe a 1 to 2. That's it. Guys, a 1 is to 1 is nothing for this strategy. I'm never taking a break even. If I'm taking a stop loss, so be it, but nope. Until and unless it runs to a 1 is to 8, I'm not taking a break even, people. I want this to run up here for me to consider a break even. All right. Let's see if he decides to run. We're waiting. Bro, if it taps 1 is to 20, what's the profit? 1 is to 20 would be $1,000, man. I'm risking 50, right? $1,000. Bro, with such a small stop loss, can you increase the lot size, which is a nice thing. Bro, increasing the lot size increases risk, right? Remember, guys, this has a very low win rate. When you're increasing the stop size and the risk, you're gonna get hit. With this, discipline is all that matters because you're gonna take a lot of stop losses than take profits itself. The May month, which was very successful, we hit 14 stop losses. We only had 4 take profits. But those 4 take profits were 1 is to 5, 1 is to 23, 1 is to 12, 1 is to 7. Okay, those are the 4 take profits. So the take profits are much bigger than the losses. With all this, we ended up with a 1 is to 40 after all that stop losses, right? So, guys, you have to be willing to take those 14 stop losses to take these 4 TPs that I mentioned. So that's the math behind this strategy. It doesn't work every time, man. That's why I'm saying risk half of what you usually do because of the win rate. Yes, the risk to reward is very high, but what happens when you're taking 14 stop losses? Last time, I think Carlton took $2,000 risk on that trade and made 10K within a matter of 15 minutes, I think. Guys, that's a unicorn. I don't get 1 is to 10 trades 2 times a week. No, that's maybe 3 times a month, maybe if it's a good month. Okay. You got to understand the math behind any strategy, guys. This is a runner. I keep him for a reason because one trade has the potential to change my entire life. If I'm catching 1 is to 40 by risking $100 in a live account, man, that changes my life in a single day. Okay. That's what I'm aiming for with this strategy. So understand the thought process, understand the secrets behind the strategies and how this works. And then you can risk high or less depending on that, right? You got to cater your risk with the strategies, with this, win rate and risk to reward. Okay. Danny, bro, don't worry, man. Guys, listen. Yeah, it's hard to understand which 3 on 3s I'm taking now, but with the course, it'll be easier, man. It's coming, bro. Danny, bro, give me 3 days max. I'm almost there, man. I'm almost there. When are you gonna launch your course, Patelji? This Friday or next Monday? Whenever that is, I'm almost there. I'm gonna clinch it. Too much of work. Apologies. There's a lot going on, so this Friday or Monday, okay? And also, remember, I will do it on live. I am giving out 5 coupon codes for it. For those of you who want to get early, it'll be cheaper, but I won't do it after, okay? So I'm just saying it now so that no one gets privilege access. Everything is going to be on the air. I'll put out the codes right on the screen so that I'm fair to everyone, okay? That'll happen soon. I mean, yesterday you were talking about having multiple funded accounts and having one as a master account. Can you please help me understand how that works? Sherry, bro, sure, man. With TopStep, you have a built-in copier, trade copier. Okay. If you have one master account, so that will copy anything and everything else into the slave accounts. So you can have 4 slave accounts and 1 master account. So that's 5 accounts, right? That's going to copy. That's automatic in TopStep. That's what I love about TopStep because they make your life a lot easier. With funding pips, I think you have to use other softwares and platforms and whatnot. No, bro, they do not give a trade copier with funding pips like built in. TopStep gives you a built in thing, to trade with. Funding pips doesn't. But there are workarounds. I don't have the full picture right now because my best friend is actually doing it right now with funding pips. He has a system to do it. I don't know all the info, the intricate details of it. So, Sherry, bro, I'll get to you, man. I'll get the info for you, man. I don't have it out the top from the top of my mind. It's a third party tools allowed. Yes, bro. As long as you're doing it right, he's already spoken to funding pips. He's gotten the formula. I think he has a software to it. Yes, again, I don't know the details of it. If you'd like, I can get it for you. Okay. Uh, what I mean, if you have 50 pip stop loss compared to 100 pip stop loss, your lot size would be adjusted to your risk for a different situation. Kalido, perfect. Yeah, man. That's good. You can adjust your stop loss with, the pip size, right? Good, man. Yeah, you're exactly right, bro. You can do that. But all I was trying to say is just because the stop loss for a 3 on 3 is smaller than our usual stop hunt strategy, you can't risk more. But you're right, man. Sorry, I misunderstood that question. Lizzie, hi. Lizzie, yesterday I saw your message right after I went off air. Come on. Good morning, Lizzie. Always happy to see you, man. Um, okay. Copy X. Daisy, is that a thing? Can you do copy trading with Copy X? Daisy, can you elaborate on that? Because I'd love to learn. Niti, bro. Hi, man. Good morning, bro. How's it going? My friend is trading two funding pips accounts. One is 25K, one is 100K. He's copying the trades from 25K into 100K. So both are funding pips. Uh, no complaints from funding pips right now, the company. But we're not sure, man. He's still testing it out. He's been doing it for, I think, 2 months now. They haven't said anything about it until now. The account is live, everything is smooth. But we'll only know when we get to the funding stage, right? They might, tell a few things. But let's see, man. We're waiting. All right, guys, I'm gonna check what Ash is doing in the time being because if I get other trades, I'll take it. So you see that? That's an Ash zone. All right. If price gets there, I'll consider another trade. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Right now, we'll let him dance. Okay. Today, the trading volume is low in Toki session. Yeah, bro. Was when was the last 3 on 3 hit? Last 3 on 3 was, I think, Friday. It went to a 1 is to 10 and then reversed back to a 1 is to 3. Unfortunate. Okay, Daisy confirmed that copy X is something. Guys, you can search it out. Search copy X. If she's doing it, why not? When was the last? Yeah, bro, I just mentioned it. Last Friday, we took it live. That was the last trade. You can go back and actually look at it. That was the last TP for 3 on 3. Perfect entry. Price dropped within the next 5 minutes. Wow, that was glorious to watch, man. It just dropped like a brick. That was a shot, by the way. Futures or CFD firms? Venom, bro, it depends on your trading style. It depends on the things that you trade. If you're trading NAS, definitely future firms. But and also, if you're okay with trailing drawdowns, you can go for top step, top notch. But if you like a fixed maximum loss, then funding pips would be the way to go. The premium signal groups in Telegram for gold channel, is that worth? And it depends on the community, right? Yeah, there are a few successful communities out there in premium. They good, they give valid signals. I am not sure about all of them, man. It's gonna depend on the community, I guess. But none of it has been successful for me. Trust me, I've tried a few. It always depends on what you guys try and how they're gonna work. So yeah, man, if you're lucky, bro, you can get a good group of traders and profitable traders, right? But I don't have that experience myself. What's the last 5 pips win? Is it back-to-back wins over 1,000 pips? Nope. That's the last 5 wins. Doesn't mean that it's back-to-back. It's over the last week. 6:30 candle will determine the move. Exactly. So we have 10 minutes. Let's see if this survives before that. Let's see. We did miss a shot for Ash this morning, which is unfortunate because of the 3 on 3. I can't help it. I have to take 3 on 3. It gets the priority, right? Nova Scalper is not bad. Okay, interesting. Yeah, 6:30 is coming, guys. Remember the Friday trade? 6:30 came in and saved our trade, took us to TP. That'd be nice. All right, let me put that here so that you can see it. Come on, buddy. Don't be mean. Go back up. Live timings and accuracy win rate. Live timings are in the bottom of the screen right here. That's the live timings. That's Indian Standard Time. So whenever Tokyo opens, accuracy win rate is between 37 to a 67, depending upon the month. Okay, it's a 1:3 risk to reward. So we're doing good. Bro, some people trade unlimited leverage. That is too risky. What do you think? You never play with leverages, man. I think 100 leverage is a beautiful place to be. Unlimited leverage is the fastest way to blow your accounts. Try not to do it, guys. Unlimited leverage, my God, I'd never do that. Good morning, bro, from Chennai. Chromepate, have a profitable day and happy Guru Purnima. Hi, good morning. Thank you for joining. Thank you for saying that. You too will have a great day. Hopefully, we all will have profits today. That's the plan. Um, I didn't know today was Guru Purnima. Thank you for the wishes. Builds trading gives 80% win rate and protects your capital. Someday, if there's no good setup up there, won't we trade that day? Jayashree, builds trading. Is that a prop firm you're talking about? I'm from Pakistan and Top Step and other top rater funding prop firm restricted in Pakistan. It's okay with trailing, but easy to get payouts from futures. Oh, I didn't know that you guys have restrictions in Pakistan, bro. That's interesting. Come on, 6:30 will be in 8 minutes. If this flies up into profit, man, I'll finally off be from we got the account from -8%. Right now it's at -5%. We're up by 3.5%, almost 3.5%, by just risking 0.2%. Man, that's an amazing recovery. You see this, guys? I'm showing you. This has helped us claw our way back from -8%, people. What a run we have had in the last couple of weeks. My God, I was actually thinking about this last evening. I was like, wow, after having such a week, man, that was 10 stop losses in a row. Actually, not even 10. So this is 10. That's how many? 2, 4, 7, 8. So 18 stop losses in a row. And this was glorious, boys and girls. Even we had a couple of TPs with 3 on 3. So we're clawing our way back, risking 0.2% and making upwards of 3% in an account is bonkers for me. I'm very happy if we get this right. If this trade runs to TP, we'll be back to break even. That's an achievement for me because going from -8 to 0, that's 7%. 7%. So that'll be an achievement, people. We'll do it. We will claw our way back, no matter how long it's going to take. All right. Good morning from USA. Let's go. Good morning. Thank you for joining. Appreciate it. I need proper strategy for 50K, 1,500 max loss limit, daily drawdown 1,000, and currently $300 loss. Man, um, you can't trade new strategies into a prop firm. Trust me, you can't take random trades like this. You see a random guy online like me, you can't be trading his strategy unless and until you've backtested the strategy, you understand the confluences. Please don't put it into your accounts and then complain that you've lost accounts. Okay, guys, you have to understand. You got to understand what I'm trying to do. I'd highly suggest you to understand stop hunt and ash zones. Those are pretty straightforward, but this has a hidden confluence to it. For those, only entry confluences that I'm holding back. But if you understand the whole process, you can actually trade stop hunts by yourself. But guys, before you put anything into your prop firm accounts, try backtesting the strategies, understand the risk associated with the strategies, understand how risk to reward and win rate works together. That's when you can apply these strategies into trading. Okay. Be very careful, people. Please do not just plug in any strategy that you see online. Just because one video worked out for a random guy in a shot doesn't mean that it's going to work out for you. Okay. There are a lot of scammers out there. Be very careful. Not everyone is transparent, with their track record like me. I like to think that I'm very transparent because I'm showing everything. So that's a disclaimer for everyone to, randomly plug in strategies. Guys, we have 5 more minutes. And if this place holds, we're going to have a great day today. For truly best living trading, look up XAUUSD. Yo, come on, man. Stop advertising your random YouTube channel, bro. Bro, when it comes to YouTube channels, let people come to you, man. You don't advertise in some random live because people are not gonna, take you seriously. Let people come to you. I never do it. I never go to random lives and say, come visit Live Trade and Adventure. We're doing good. Come on, man. No, not a prop firm. It's actually okay. Trading builds trading. Gives 80% win rate and protects your capital. Someday there's a good setup. Actually, then I didn't understand that comment. Sorry. If that's not a prop firm, what is builds trading? Can you explain? 6:30 is coming. Yeah, I hope it comes earlier before we take a stop loss. Because if 6:30 is in our direction, I'd be very happy. 3 more minutes, people. This is going to be interesting. Let's see. Uh, Remember, we already had. Oh, come on. Don't be mean, man. Let 6:30 come and give me a chance at least. Don't take me off. So we did have a shot in Ash today, which should have been this one. We should have been short from here. That should have been the stop loss. It will be very hard to see a profit go to waste, but it is what it is. We'll wait. Yes, sir. This is my first trade today. Bro, for the stop on strategy, RR is always 1 to 3. Danny, bro, 100%, man. Every time, every trade, regardless of the stop loss, it's going to be a 1 to 3. I'll close my eyes and put it into 1 to 3. I don't care about where the structure was, what happened the day prior, the year prior. I don't care, man. I just keep executing that strategy, bro. Guys, 3 more minutes. This is going to be very, very interesting, man. I hope we don't get taken out before that. At least 6:30 will give us a chance. Let's see. I'm currently watching 5 YouTubers. I'm trying to make algo on quant programming by merging few strategies like supposed resistance in gold Tokyo 6:30, same as NAS US 30 during New York. Bro, all the best, man. Guys, getting few strategies strung together actually works. That's how I got to 3 on 3. um, just keep trying it, man. Something will work at some point. Get the back tested data, apply it in live. That's how you win, right? But don't worry, I owe you a trade, but you have the tight SL. So Abhishek is giving green light, but the SL he thinks also is tight. Let's see, man. Let's see if you're lucky, bro. 1.5 minutes for verdict. Let's see, boys. What's the trade, bro? Long from here? Yeah, man, I'm sitting on a long right now at the edge of the seat. What is TP? TP is time-based. I'll only exit at Tokyo end. I've tried many subscriptions, even Carlito. Nothing worked other than Bills trading. TKS trading in your channel. Getting some profits now. Okay. So we're getting positive endorsements from Jayashree. Thank you. Means a lot. Guys, keep trying, keep doing. But I'd highly suggest understanding the strategies before applying. Once you understand and apply, that's when the game changes. Learn it other than just copying. I always say that 45 seconds for the verdict for this. The trade is still holding. Let's see. Bro, 3 on 3 strategy indicator available in TV. What is TV, man? Oh, TradingView? Uh, I don't think so, bro. That's a script we made. That that indicator, I'll give it out for free this Friday or this Monday, okay? Please join Discord so that you can get it for free. I will give it for free, man. I'm not going to charge anything for that. So don't worry. We're getting 15 minutes engulfing. Let's see, boys. 8 seconds. You guys ready? I'm ready. That's 6:30 right there. All right. 6:30. Come on, man. Uh, yeah. That's first stop loss for today, people. 6:30 wasn't kind to us today, but it gave us a shot, didn't it? So yesterday we didn't get any 3 on 3 trades, but today we got one. That's first SL for today. We should have been in a sell, remember, with Ash. Unfortunate, man. That was the Ash trade for today. That's that should have been the trade. But 3 on 3 was there. It takes precedence. So what should have been the SL? 30.7, 31.7. So that was Ash. Unfortunate, isn't it? That should have been the trade. So I can't take it now. It's far gone. Let's wait for other zones, people. Let's wait for price to get to these zones and then take it there. It always hurts to see Ash getting to TP and not being able to take it because of 3 on 3. It's the pain of having two strategies together. Okay, um, we can't help it. It's what it is. So this is the first. Sorry, that's the first sell for today. All right. Okay, we'll wait, people. All we can do here is watch. We'll wait for other zones to get tapped and respected, and we'll take other trades. Always, guys, there's other trades in the day. Don't worry. But that looks glorious. So we did call this out, but we couldn't take it. That's Ash. Man, Ash has been very successful the last 2 weeks, bro. I'm getting my minds blown, actually. But guys, I'm not in this trade. We're just having it for fun. Yeah, hard luck, right? Sometimes 6:30 gives you TPs, sometimes it won't. Very good morning. Just ordinary life is like best strategy, follow your mentor and take opposite trades. Oh yeah, bro. Tell that to my last 20 trades. I'm just kidding, man. I like criticism, bro. I love criticism, actually. Oh, it would have been very nice to catch that. Need a prop firm which doesn't restrict hedging. Yeah, bro, Sherry. I would have loved to have that prop firm, bro, because this trade would have been live. If we did that, we would have just lost 50 on that. We might take 150 on this trade. So hedging would be nice. I don't think is there a prop firm, Sherry, out there which allows hedging, to be honest? I closed my trade, my TP got hit. That's awesome, bro. Which is the top method to trade stop hunt, Ash, or 3 on 3? Right now, stop hunt plus Ash has been very successful in the last week. 3 on 3, you never know, man. He's a monster. You never know when he's going to give. But if you want a better win rate, a better risk to reward in the long run, stick with Ash and stop on trades when you're trading with me. If you have the balls to catch 3 on 3s, go ahead because very low win rate, right? And this is very heartbreaking to see because that's a good trade. It's your trade running. No, I got an SL, man. This should have been the trade with Ash this morning, but I'm just watching it, bro. Just right now, let's see if I get another trade. Don't worry, man. That's not a trade I'm on. That's just me trying to satisfy my ash hunger. So price has breached stop and zone. We'll see how price reacts from here. Excuse me. If I get an entry, oh my God, it hurts. That hurts. That hurts. Ash is aggressive stop funds. XM allows hedging. Balaji, bro, that's not a prop firm, right? We need a prop firm, bro. Stop hunt is better in your experience? Yeah, man. Stop hunt definitely better, but guys, two strategies I trade with. I trust both of my strategies. So, guys, that's the most recent stop hunt that's been breached. I will be looking for setups here. Let's see if we get a valid setup. If it's in the, let's see, man. Let's see. Remember, I have 4 trades per day, 2 trades per strategy. First trade for 3 on 3 is done. Let me see if I have anything else in terms of 3 on 3. I don't see any other trades for 3 on 3 in the opposite direction. I'll let you guys know if I do. So I'm going to disregard all this. Okay. Right now, we're only going to focus on this zone that's been tapped. So we don't care about that stop and zone because this will take precedence. Okay. Let's see if we get a trade here, people. Even that was an ash zone which was breached. That was the first one that got breached for today. Beautiful push to the downside. All right, guys. Let's see if we get a longer shot. I'm going to take this. Okay. Whatever it is, I'm going to take this one. I'm going to wait. I think funded Hive allows hedging. Oh, does it? Interesting, bro. Where is your support sell entry for Ash? My strategy gave me sell at 4121. Still holding it. Right up here, bro. 5:50 a.m. candle close. That was my entry for Ash. Supposed entry, which I couldn't take. All right, guys. If this closes as this, I'm taking it along here, man. But I'm waiting for the next 3 minutes. Let's see what comes through. Remember, their stop and zone was convincingly taken. I don't care about the trade that we missed. Right now, all that matters is what's happening right now. All right, let's get back to it. Okay, most recent. Sorry, where is it? Right here. That's the breach. We have 2.5 minutes. I'm gonna focus here, people. I'll come back to the comments. Hold on. I'd be happy if we get a sell here, man, because the previous trade also was a sell, right, for Ash. But I'll take whatever comes through. 2.5 minutes, guys. If it's going to be a buy, it's going to be something like this. Reset points. So that'll be the entry. That'll be the stop loss candle. So it'll be something like this if it's a long. But if price closes somewhere deep under, I'll be looking for a short. Right now, it's looking like a long. But let's see. So this will be the first trade for Ash. I'm sorry, stop on today. Let's wait and watch. Let's wait for confirmations, people. There's still 1.5 minutes. Okay, I always enter after 5 minute closes. So patience, people. One more minute. Come on. So I'm someone who believes everything happens for a reason. Maybe We didn't take that Ash trade for a reason, I think. Who knows? Let's see. I like that. If the candle closes, we have 25 seconds. If the candle closes as is, I will take a buy here, man. SV, join Discord. Welcome, bro. 10 more seconds, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm in. Longs. Let's see. I'm in longs right here. Okay, long there. Stop loss 100 pips below breaking candle. And TP would be, I want to see 3 right there. Okay. So I'm going to take this off. We don't need that anymore. The entry happened here. Stop loss is sitting right there. TP for this trade is sitting right there. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Let me put the TP on my Funding Pips account. Hold on. All right. That trade is set. Now we forget. All right. I'm just coming back. Where is your suppose? Okay, I said that. I think funded high. Okay. Tell me what real GCC or 15-minute engulfing. Bro, what does ASH stand for? Aggressive stop hunt zones, bro. That is ASH. Right now, this is stop hunt. Okay, this is normal zone. PDL got swept. Ab- Abhishek, now what do you think, bro? Do you think this trade will hold? Why changing from ASH to stop hunt? Bro, I couldn't take that, right? This is the next logical trade that came through. Stop hunt is bigger zones. These are bigger zones. You look at that reversal right there. Oops. So that's stop hunt right there. So that's a bigger zone. I like that. And we got the reaction from it. I got all the confluences for this trade. If this goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't, right? So we could not get that Ash trade. I'm not going to wait for that. I'm going to take whatever trade comes after. So that's the trade that came after the Ash trade. Um, so this is active, boys and girls. Yes. Let's see. Bro, any giveaway planning? Yes, bro, I am planning. I'm going to show you something. You guys ready? Okay, hold on. You guys ready for this? Hold on, let me refresh. Let me refresh. 25 bucks. Let's go. Guys, officially made it to 25 bucks. Man, that's decent money, bro. That's the first earnings with YouTube. Guys, whatever the first paycheck that comes through from YouTube, I'll give away 5%. Any paycheck that YouTube gives, I'm going to give 5% away, man. So let's see. It's just been a few days of being um, monetized. Let's wait and see, boys and girls. Guys, we've grown a lot. Even in the last week, that's last week alone, we've got $23. So we're growing fast, growing hard. In the last 90 days, we've got almost 74,000 views, 7,500 watch hours, 1,600 subs. We're growing very fast, man. So anything I make out of YouTube, 5%, I'll give it out. All right. That's my promise. So very happy about that. Uh, very glad about that. Let's see, boys and girls. Active, yes. 407. Okay. It's a selling pressure, bro. Man, my strategy gave me a trade, so I'm in. Guys, I don't shy away from stop losses. Yes, we did. We did take us. We should have taken a sell entry from there, but this is the next trade that showed up. We took it. If we take a stop loss, that's fine, man. We have another two trades for the day. I will actually work with those two trades. So for now, this is the entry. That's the stop loss. That's the take profit. I will back it up. Yeah, money, money, money. Yeah, bro, Sherry. Abhishek, bro. Yeah, man, that's active, bro. Oh, congrats. Love you, bro. Love you too, guys. Listen, YouTube is a byproduct. That's it. If it gives us money, we'll share it, man. How many trades reasonable for the day? Guys, two trades per strategy is reasonable. If you have one strategy, just take two trades. That's it. Maybe if you have two strategies, maximum four trades you can take. Other than that, don't push it, man. Don't push your strategies to the limit because it will break. Okay. Let's see, man. Let's see what happens to this trade. Is it at 4011? What is what is 4011? I don't see any other zones to the left, man. That's it. If this goes to stop loss, we will have to wait for price to make other zones in this session because I don't see anything to the left. Okay. But it's holding. Patience, people, patience. Man, I look like a joker this morning because of my hair. All right, guys. Let's see. Let's see what'll happen to this trade. Push up, bro. Nidhi, bro, is pushing price in the comment section. Oh, hold on. The push up. Oh, I forgot the freaking push ups, guys. Hold on. Hold on. We took an SL today, right? A deal is a deal. Okay, I'm gonna put this down. All right, all right, all right. I forgot. All right, 15, right? Oh, I completely forgot about this. One, two, three, four, five, six, eight, nine, 10. One, two, three, four, five. Oh, wow. Now that felt good. Thank you. Thank you for reminding that. Yeah, boys. Woo! That got the blood rushing to my brains. Let's go. Oh, yeah, that felt good. Bro, how many prop firms have you passed and failed over, and how much did you make? Bro, I've, I've failed more than 20 prop firm accounts, actually, more than that. Uh, Somewhere between 20 to 30. This will be the first one if I pass it, okay? I'm just showing the journey, man. Welcome, push up. You're awesome, bro. Thank you, man. That felt good, guys. That felt very good. Let's see if this holds. Even I forget about the push-ups. Me also taking a sell on that trade. Let me do it as well, as promised. Let's go. Patel sir is also doing the push-ups. I'd love to see that. Yeah, we have news in the evening, so it might be a little choppy, but We trade regardless. So today I cannot let my trades run after 6:30. Oh, sorry, in the evening. So anything and everything that comes has to come and go below before the news hits. Not bad, no shortcuts, just push-ups. Prasad bro, 100%. And proper push-ups, not half-assed, not ill-formed, good push-ups, right? I hope it was. Hi, bro. Ajmira, hi. Excuse me. Did the push-ups with you. Really felt good after the SL. Thanks. Guys, this has been a great addition to the stream. Having push-ups after stop loss, man, that felt good, right? Even I felt like it's a good thing to do. You guys have to thank Patel ji for that because he was the one who suggested that I do push-ups after stop losses. So that felt good. Thank you. Thank you, Patel sir. Appreciate it. 7 a.m. CPI data. What is the CPI data? Market impact. Nope. That's for Australian dollar, right? We don't care about that. Australian dollar, nah. Gold doesn't care about Australian dollar, I think. So we will stick with our trade. If there is a orange red folder news for USD, then we care about it. Other than that, globally, JPY news, definitely. So nothing else. Guys, I don't think I might trade this Friday because of that. I'll show you why. Look at this. This Friday, guys, I think it's the 31st, right? Look at this. Bank of Japan policy rates is tentative, meaning they don't have a specific time. These bugger these buggers are very sneaky when it comes to it. So they'll just sneak in the news right in between. So I actually cannot trade on Friday, I think. I will talk to my best friend, but that doesn't look good, man. Because excuse me, because this will definitely have impact on gold because that's JPY news, right? And last time I think they cut the rates. I'm not sure what they're going to do this time. So it might have the impacts. Can do girl push up. Daisy, yeah, you can let your knee touch the ground and then do push-ups. It'll be easier for you. That's how I teach my wife how to do push-ups. Or you can go against the wall and then do push-ups. So you can do it. It was my idea. All credit to me, guys. Absolutely. Yes, sir. It was your idea. The straight goes 1:3, then get any profit activity. What do we, okay, guys, I'm open to suggestions. What do you want to do when we take profits? Because that'll be a good workout. Does your wife know you're doing workouts? Bro, she thinks that I'm doing work. If she sees me doing push-ups on the floor live, she'd be like, "What are you doing? You're showing people that you're working out? That's so bad. Don't let people see it." It's like it's like something different for her, man. She's very protective of my routines, my personal stuff, and all that. I think push-ups are harmless. Bro, this is a 25K account, man. Thank you, brother. Love you too. Bro, can you tell about your capital? Bro, it's a 25K funding pips standard account. I'm on the second step of it. Slowly clawing my way back. Daisy, did you do it? 10 push-ups done? Sit-ups is better, I think. Okay, if we take TPs, let's put 15 sit-ups for celebration, okay? That's a good deal. I'll take that. What's your journey into here? This is risky to run the home. Sorry, come again. What's your journey into here? Hardik, bro, I didn't get it. Risky to run the home meaning? sorry, bro, to say, but I think SL will be hit. Man, I remember you saying that on one of my other trades. I think last week or week prior, it went to TP, bro. I'm just kidding. I'm playing with you, man. Guys, listen. When my setup gives a trade, I'll close my eyes and I'll execute. As long as I'm minding the confluences, I don't care about SL and TP, guys. Come on. You gotta you gotta understand your setups. You gotta trade your setups with your close eyes in terms of execution. As long as you get it right, you execute it, you forget, you close your eyes after you execute, okay? Whatever happens, happens. You get a TP, fine. You get a stop loss, it's okay. Just keep going, right? 30 sit-ups, it's easier than push-ups. Come on, man. 30 will be quite a bit big because listen, we can get 2 or 3 TPs a day. 30, that's 90 sit-ups in a day, man. You guys agree? If you want me to do 15 or 30, let's do a vote. 5 people, if they agree on 30, I'll do it. Wait. Let's make it seven. Okay, 7 people has to agree on 30 sit-ups. I'll do it. Okay. Which country you doing live from? Sanjay, bro, I'm from Chennai, man. I'm from South India. Can you give me some capital I need, please, for trade tonight? News trade. So one, we got. I can, I can do. Daisy is like she can do 30 sit-ups. Let's go. Uh, Patelji says 15. Raj is like 100. Let's go. Guys, you gotta agree, man. If you want to make me do it, agree. I mean, this trading activity is too risky to run the home. Is this what you do part time? Oh, okay. Do you have a job? Trading is too risky to study flow of income. Nope. Sadik, bro, this is it. I know it's risky and it's hard, but if you and when you have good months, it'll take care of you for a few years, man. So this is all I do, my brother. Bro, it's a long question with you. Oh, got them, bro. Let's do it. Don't you do yoga? No, unfortunately not. Um, I'm more of a gym guy. I love weights, but never tried yoga. Not that I wouldn't. Never tried it. Do you? 30 push-ups for the 90s, very difficult, bro. Bro, you guys didn't agree, so I'm not gonna do 15 sit-ups. I didn't get 7 votes on it, so I'm just gonna do 15 sit-ups. Okay? I do yoga, yeah. 30 sit-ups is normal there. See, when you guys do yoga, I think where is Ray, man? Ray is the guy always pushing me to do yoga. Is he here? Make a YouTube poll. Okay, how can I do that? Let's make a YouTube poll. Rajit, bro, thanks for the idea, man. I've never done a YouTube poll before. Let me see if we can pull this off. Because right now we're just chilling because the trade is running, right? Let's see. Uh, Home. So do I go into my live session video and then make a poll there, or how does it work? How do I make a poll, man? Post video, live, shot. Oh, poll. I got it. Yes. Yes, sir. Uh, how many sit-ups should I do after taking uh, TP? Hold on, I'm getting it. TP live. 15, 30, add option, 100. Joking. All right, I have the poll. You guys can participate in it. It should be live. I don't know where you guys can see it, but it's live right now. I'm choosing 30 because I can take it. Can I choose? Can I vote myself? Hmm. I don't know. I can't vote for myself, man. Sorry. You guys have to do it for me. Find the poll, vote it. All right. Let's see. If Funny Pips gives you a payout, I'll go and buy a Funny Pips account. Yeah, bro. When I get a payout, I'll definitely let you guys know. You can also get an account if you're like three dots. No, for me, as the creator of the poll, when I hit the three dots, the only thing I see is delete. So I don't think I can vote on my own poll. That might be considered cheating. Come on, these people, man. If you pick up, we'll reduce your trades. If we pick you, we'll reduce the trades. Yo, I won't reduce the trades, man. I'll never reduce my trades. What, you only trade Tokyo session? Yes, sir. I only trade Tokyo sessions, guys. Bro, yeah, bro, in the gym, master your leg workouts harder than arms. That's true, bro. Nidhi, bro. I have to be, man. Absolutely true, my brother. I have to be actually working my arms more and my legs because I think that's harder to do. I'd rather do upper body workouts than lower. I think that's normal for everyone. It's harder, man. So this trade working with that 3-on-3 strategy. No, man, this is stop hunt, guys. This is absolutely stop hunt. If this goes to TP, all thanks to the stop and zone back here, right there, right? Beautiful so far. Let's see. Let's see if we get lucky. That's not luck, but still. Funny pips allow news trading. Nope, they do not. If you trade the news, they'll blow your account. Do not trade news in funny pips, people, because I don't want you guys blowing accounts. All right, what happened to the poll? Did you guys vote? Come on. Oh, God. Give me 1 second. All right. Halfway to TP. Are we? Maybe not. Bro, there is a poll on my channel, I think. Jay, you guys don't see it? I don't know, man. I did make a poll, bro. Okay. You don't see any after leg what completed think, bro. How you gonna go to our house? Nidhi, bro, after the leg workout, I used to work out in this gym. Um, what is the gym name? Slam? Slam Ramapuram. This is, yeah, this is, if you guys know it, you guys know it. So they had two sets of stairs to get to the gym, okay? After every leg workout, bro, I'm hugging the wall, bro. Once I literally sat down, I did have a trainer. He used to kill me, man. That guy was hardcore. I used to leg press upwards of 300 kgs, man. Bro, insane. Of course, with his help, because I thought that was insane. Man, after those workouts, bro, getting down the stairs were like, I used to hug the walls. I used to sit down, go with my hands and legs down the stairs. Bro, I miss those days, man. Glorious days those were. All right. Ah, now that we have news on 7 at night, bro, not now. I'm thinking of booking tickets for the Bali trip right now. Sherry, bro, man, we will definitely do it. Sherry, bro, even if it's just you and me, we'll do it. I don't care how many people show up, but anyone and everyone who wants to get to Bali, book the tickets, get the dates. I got you. Let's go. All right. What is the 1.5 hit? So half TP done. Let's see if we get the rest within the next 10 minutes. Can't able to see. Wait, seriously? You guys are not able to see the poll? It should be on your timeline or go to my page or something like that. I don't know, man. This is the first time I'm doing the poll. Can I share this poll somehow? Yeah, I think I can share it. I'll put the link maybe on the chat. So it's easier, right? All right. Where is it? There you go. Your videos. Like. So the link is right here. Excuse me. I'm floating. I'm floating the stairs, bro, after completing my leg workout. Maybe, bro. You're hilarious, man. Good old leg workout days. I remember crawling. Sherry, you talk to any gymming guy out there. Look at this. My two brothers out there, both Nidhi and Sherry, have felt it. Bro, I love those days. But guys, I'm getting back to the gym next month. There's no questions asked. I've been putting this off for too long. I've been giving reasons that I'm doing YouTube, I'm doing the course, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. 1 hour a day will not change the trajectory of my day. Okay. So I'm going to get to the gym next month. Probably not the beginning of the month, maybe mid next month. I still have work to do. So we will get to the gym. I will, maybe I'll make a couple of shots from the gym, man. I'm sure I'll be, I'm sure I'll be in the first, need to get my password by that time. Patel ji, you need to get to Bali, bro. So 28th December, January 2020. Sorry, 22nd Jan 2028. Okay. Put the dates down, people. We're doing it. We're 100% doing this because look, Stop Hunt has been working magic, man. So, Patel sir, get your passport before that. How can you guys miss me on the trip? Bro, Ranjit, bro, definitely. Guys, listen, I cannot call out each and every one of you, but you guys are all welcome, man. We'll have fun there, boys. Couple of days, we'll have a hoot. Kindly stop on strategy explain. Simple, man. Previous previous lows, that's a beautiful low out there. You want price to get there. When it does, wait for the next 5 minute candle to react on either direction and then hop in, boys. As simple as that. All right, almost to TP. Let's see, guys. Poll done 15. Guys, I'm going to check the poll. Hold on. What happened to the poll? Yo, I hope you guys didn't vote for 30, man. Okay, we've got 9 votes, 44% for 15, 44% for 30. Okay, we're not done yet. I'll wait for our price to get hit this TP, and whatever the poll says, I'm going to do it. Okay, we have maybe 5 more minutes for this TP to hit. Let's see, boys. Let's see if you guys get the poll more votes for 15 or 30. This is fun, guys. This is actually fun. Sure, I will. 100%, sir. And guys, remember, purely traders, man. I'm planning to leave my family back home. I'm not sure how that's going to work. My mom was like, no matter what, if you're going to Bali, you're bringing us there. We'll be in a different resort, but you're going to take us there. So don't take your family with you to Bali. It's just us traders there. We're going to have a lot of fun, okay? Remember, no family trip. Us considerably just the traders, okay? 10 more push-ups to TP. Come on, guys. Push-ups is let's reserve push-ups for stop losses, okay? Just stop losses. My husband loves your channel. Thank you so much. Jayashree, appreciate it. And you're also watching it? I'm I'm feeling so happy right now because both husband and wife watching the same live means a lot. Guys, after this, I'll also look for other setups with Ash as well as stop-ons. So we have to keep an eye out for that. Vote fast if you haven't. I'm gonna pin that comment so that if you haven't voted, vote. We're gonna do it soon because we're almost to TP. Come on. I've pinned that comment, people. Why can't oh yeah, there you go. Almost to TP. Come on. Excuse me. All right. Fake vote acceptable. I'll do another one. No, Nidhi, bro. No cheating, guys. No cheating. Come on. All right, all right, all right. I think we'll be bullish all day. That, bro. If it is bullish all day, I'll be very happy. Which gym are you going, dude? How do you how do you know that gym name? Like who is it? Trader UX1? I don't know who that is. How that's I'm not saying anything for that. I'm not going to any gym right now, but I don't know who's watching my live. Guys, I'll be very careful. I think someone in my family is watching. Oh my God. If you close above 40.28. Oh, okay. Let's see, man. Sick trade. Had my TP hit. Happy to be a part of the stream. Arun Kumar, bro. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Guys, congrats if you've already hit TP, but I'm waiting for it, man. Let's go. Yes. Almost there, right? Hold on. Fake. I'm building a prop firm with a custom trading terminal. Guys, apologies. No advertisements in my chat. I'll be booking the profits with you, man. That's awesome, bro. Congrats, people. If you've already booked, but I'm waiting for it. All right. You know me. I'm a stubborn guy, so I'm waiting for it. He's going to Riker. I don't know who these guys are. Yeah. People from my family are here, man. I'm not going to any gym right now, so I don't want to give out my address on stream. You know, I show speed. He actually gave out his address by accident live. Man, imagine doing that on live stream. Today, after waiting for a long time, took a trade based on my own analysis. When I turned into your stream, I saw you've taken a trade on the same exact setup. Hussein, bro, that's awesome, man. I might miss, but I'd never miss your live stream. I never miss your lives. Dashri, thank you so much. Means a lot. Thank you for being here. People actually means a lot to me. I booked 40-30 for Telji. Congrats. Oh, there you go. Jay bro doesn't know what Riker is. That's a gym name, bro. That's actually my sister's husband's gym. So to make things clear, so when someone said that name, I was like, what the hell? That's someone from my family trying to trying to pull my leg on live. Someone is watching, bro. Guys, listen. This stream, I've kept it so sacred. It's a secret when it comes to my family. Not a not a lot of people know. My mom, my wife, they know because I do it. They caught me doing it. They heard me downstairs. They're like, "Who are you talking to every morning?" And I got caught doing the live stream. And My extended family, they don't know about the live stream, okay? Majority of them, 99.5%. My sister found out last week. She saw my stream randomly and she called me out. She was like, so how's the class going? I'm like, what class? She goes, I saw you live. I got caught again. And yeah, man, now some people in my family do know. Um, I don't know, man. I'm getting caught with my family people. Um, they're looking at me live now. My mom watches my stream. My brother does, my own brother. I have to be careful on things that I say. My wife watches my stream sometimes. Very strict, boys. Those people are very strict. Wait, I'll go search it on Google. See, that's game over. God, I should not have said it, bro. I should not have said it. Never tell anyone you're trading, man. Exactly, Jay. That's the whole point, right? Never say, especially in your family, don't tell people that you're trading because things can go very wrong for you. I'm pretty sure my mama won't hear this, but listen, guys, my mom told my uncle that I trade for a living because he asked my mom. She doesn't lie. Sometimes I don't lie, but I have a different name to trading when it comes to my family. I'm an independent investment analyst. Okay, I'm a contractor. I'm an investment analyst. Ooh, okay, that's what I say when people ask me. But my mom told my uncle that I trade. You know what he did, guys? True story. Okay, true story. He got on a bus. He came to my house 2 days prior. He calls my mom saying, um, "I'm coming to your house. Is Arvind there?" My mom goes, "Yeah, he's here. You're welcome to the house. Please come. When are you coming?" All that usual stuff. He goes, "Yeah, I'm coming. Will he be available this weekend?" And my mom didn't know what's happening, so she's like, "I think he is. Let me ask him. But what's going on?" He says, "I want to ask a few questions to him in terms of trading." Okay, guys, he came to my house. He was here for 2 days. He sat down. He sat down with me and he goes, "Arvind, teach me trading in 2 days." Guys, you won't believe it, man. For 2 days, I taught him trading for 11 hours straight the first day, 14 hours straight the next day. So I lost my voice. And the worst thing, do you know the worst thing that he did? Okay. Again, true story. So initially I go, okay, I'm caught at this point, right? He's sitting there right with me and he goes, teach. I can't do anything else. And I go, okay. If you're going to do this, I'm going to do this right. I got him a note from my old college books. Okay. There was a note that I didn't use. There was a ruled note of 180 pages. Yeah. My best friend is actually texting me not to say the story, man. He's like, you're saying too much of things on air. I started it. I might as well finish it. Sorry, bro. Hold on. I'm gonna finish this. All right. So, sorry. I'm saying sorry to my best friend because he's like, you're saying too much. You shouldn't be saying this. It's already out in the open. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. Okay. I bring a note for him. I go, listen, uncle, take notes. I'll teach you. Don't worry. He took the note. He goes, Arvind, why don't you take the notes for me? He gave the note back to me. He said, you can take the notes for me. Don't worry. It's fine. Bro, yo, I filled that note out. It was 180 pages. I filled that whole thing out. I taught him, I wrote that notes myself. I gave it to him. You guys won't believe it, man. It took me 2 days to teach him 30% of what I know. Man, I cannot forget that. So, guys, never tell your family that you trade. Yeah, man. Sorry, I had to do it. I don't know who else is watching. Guys, listen, it's okay to teach people how to trade, but listen, the thing that I didn't like about it was teaching someone trading in 2 days is not possible. Guys, it's not possible. I'm not sure how they do those workshops of teaching trading in 2 days. That's insane to do because it's more of this than the chart itself. It's psychology. I don't know how to teach psychology in 2 days, man. Even the course is going to be, if you're watching it properly, I'd only advise you to watch one module per day. That's 10 days worth of modules, okay? I don't know how people do it in one day. I mean, it's insane. I'll go back to the comments now. I've said too much. I hope my uncle doesn't see this. That's a story, man. I'll say this till the day I die. This is the first time I'm saying this out in public. I'd never share the story, bro, but insane, right? You're telling us to story for the second time. I'm not sure what that is. What is your prop firm size? 25K, bro. Today, tea break. Yeah, my mom is not up yet, so she'll call me down for tea. Let's see. Hi, best ever Forex. How much risk do you take per trade? 0.4% if I'm trading usually, or 0.2% if I'm having the risk. Hi, Gold Do. Hi. How do people know my full name? I don't know, man. Weird things happening. Get a job? Dr. Kumasa, is that advice for me? Bro, all I can say in Tamil, na, what? Na, unnai kadi ka. Tanglish, Tanglish doesn't work for me. You're great, bro. Hope to see you soon in Chennai. Thank you, man. I hope we meet too, bro. If you give your address like I show speed, hundreds of people come to you and the whole area is stunned. I'm not gonna give my address, guys. Bro, you told all that stuff. Kadam kadam. Nidhi, bro, yeah, man, I said it. I hope my uncle doesn't get to see that because that'd be an uncomfortable situation to be in. Yes, it is reversing from a stop and zone. I'm very sad that it is. That's a beautiful stop and zone up there. Guys, I can't help it, man. Oops, I don't need that. I need this. Guys, I am stubborn when it comes to my TPs. That's a beautiful stop and take in reverse. I can't help it, man. If it goes to stop loss, so be it. That's a trade that I'm in. I'll stick to my trades as usual, right? Okay. I'm getting to the comments. Hold on. आप अपनी लाइव वीडियो में ऑडियो ट्रैक का ऑप्शन दिया जैसे है लॉग हिंदी में भी सुन सके Anita Sharma is like, give me audio track. Anita, I like that. How can I transfer this into Hindi? Can you give me ideas because I don't know. Um, I don't know how to do it. How to translate this live into Hindi? If there's a good valid option or a bot or something, you can suggest. But he's not working this. Yeah, bro, Sharad, bro. I hope he's not. Mapla auto dub. It can auto translate in Hindi. Oh, I didn't know that. Can you auto translate this in Hindi? New YouTube feature? Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, guys, so should is it my responsibility to do that auto translate, or can you guys do it yourself? Because I don't know that. It's actually a good request, Anita. I will look into it. Next time I'll have an answer for you. Thank you. Can you teach him sir 3 on 3 and stop hunt? Patelji, I taught him the basics of trading. I taught him stocks. I did not teach him any of this. Okay, this is way harder for him to do. I was teaching him stocks, and that took me almost 2 days. Good morning, Neeraj. Very good morning. Anita, I hope you're still here. I did answer your question. Sorry, I was late. Yeah, I taught him everything from the scratch. What candlesticks are, how to look at a chart, what are different time frames, everything, man. He didn't know A to Z when it comes to trading, so I had to teach him the whole 9 yards. Okay, Anita, I did. People help me out here. If you can dub it, I don't know how to do it. If there's an option I could do it, just toggle something on right now. Just let me know. That's what people say when you're trading. Exactly. That's what people say. So when you tell someone that you're trading, they'll be like, Two reactions. That's not a job. Like Dr. Kumar said, that's not a job, get a job. Second reaction, can you teach me? Come on. How can I get 3 on 3 indicator? Bro, I'm going to give it out this weekend or Monday. Join Discord. I will give it out for free, okay? You have my word. Okay, I'm new. I am the guy near to you. Actually, you knew me, remember my face? Someone is trolling me. I think it's someone from my family. Trader UX1, definitely someone from my family, guys. The moral of the story is when you go to the tea break, your family told you the moral. Bro, I hope my mom didn't see that, man, because she'd be very pissed if she saw that I said that story out loud. How to get 3 on 3 indicator, guys? Don't worry, I'll give it. You live in Ramapuram, I think you said that in live. Jashri, no, I don't. I changed my house. I'll say this. I have a lake in the backyard, okay? I live in Pural, that's all I'd say. So too much information, right? I know. I shouldn't be giving this out. I said I love you. So how will you say your name in Tamil? My name is Arvindan Rangaswamy. Thank you. I love you guys too. I can't do it in live. You can't do it in live auto translate. Oops. Patelji, thank you for saying that. I didn't know. I've never heard about this. I know. I think I think that's my sister's husband, my mama. Mama, good morning if you're watching this. Hi. And the story wasn't about you. If I think you're the one I think you are, the story wasn't about you. It was someone else, okay? God, I hope it's not him. His name is Arvindan Rangaswamy. Yeah, with a Y. You got it right with a Y. Is that someone also that I know? How how's my family finding out? I don't know. Send my regards to your parents and family. They are invited to KL as my guests. Dr. Kumar, thank you so much. It means a lot. I will definitely let them know because they, believe it or not, sir, they ask about you every day. They ask me, is your doctor coming in every day? Because I've told them about you that I have a doctor sitting in my life every day with me. He comes every day. We chat. So trust me, they ask me about you every day. I'll tell them that you invited them to Malaysia for that matter. My best friend is asking, is your whole family looking at your live session? I think they are, man. Now I have to be very careful about this. And I think I know who's watching my stream. Mama, hi. Mama is uncle, guys. In Tamil. And funny enough, Nidhi, he's the gym owner. I think if he's the one, I think who he is, he owns the gym, guys. Bali to Kuala Lumpur is near, bro. Jay, yeah, man. Im. Auntie, is that you? She knows my friend Shiv. She knows me. Hi, Auntie. How are you? I didn't. Oh my God. Okay, so Goldu baby might be my aunt. So, guys, my whole family is here. Say hi to my family. Oh my God. I didn't know you guys were watching. Thank you for being here. This is me blabbering about my family in live when my family is watching. I've been caught red handed. I'm good. I'm good. He was telling about me. No, no, I wasn't talking about you. Don't worry. You are a very good person. I wasn't talking about you. Kumar says hi to all your family members. God. This situation I never thought I would get into. Two random family members getting into my stream at the same time. See, auntie and uncle, auntie and mama, this is my community. They're all saying hi to you. Say hi back. See, three highs from my community. Oh my God, you guys. For God's sakes, Ravi, bro. I thought you're my aunt, man. Goldu baby, what kind of a name that is, man? I have an auntie whose name is Baby. Can you believe it? I thought it was my aunt, bro. You gave me a heart attack, man. My God. And I'm pretty sure though the other person is my family, man. Just because a family stream now. Just became a family stream now. Yeah. Cats be respectful, I think. Family in the house. See? Hello there. Finally got finally got pissed successfully. Congratulations for red-handed. Rajit, bro, thank you, man. Goldo baby is Ravi. I will try long again. Let's see, boys. You talk so much about your family. This was due to happen. Cherry, bro, yeah, man. I'm definitely sure the other person is my family member. That's my mama. Um, so, guys, no more secrets for today. We'll keep it just to trading. Man, this is so close. I wish this gets to TP. Let's see, boys and girls. Hey, you there to your family mentor, auntie and uncle. Oh, it's your all tidy, Ravi. Man, so mean, bro. You gave me a heart attack, man, because I know for a fact that my auntie wouldn't know. She lives in Bhopal. She's actually my brother's wife's aunt. So my aunt, technically. I thought that was her. Man, you gave me a heart attack. And that's why I was so surprised on how did she find out? Because she doesn't trade and she lives in Bhopal. She might see me in the timeline. Me advertising with my teeth. 313 formed. Guys, let's see if I get the TP. If I get it, I'm doing 15 sit-ups. All right. I was going to check something else. What was I going to check? Oh, 3 on 3. Bro, yeah, man. Is that valid? That's the thing I'm thinking about right now. Because, no, bro, I don't think that's valid, my brother. The 3 on 3 that just formed. Yeah, man. Way too many things happening. Thank you for calling that out, bro. Ravi, yeah, man. No, you're not from Bhopal, Ravi. Come on. You're trading in funny pips? Yes, sir, I am. Oxy, don't worry, man. That 3 on 3 is not valid, bro. I'm not going to take it, okay? I'm also from Bhopal. Sora, bro. I've been to Bhopal, man. What a place. What a place, bro. I loved it. My brother's wife, my Anni, we call brother's wife Anni in my language. She's from Bhopal. They're actually originally from Gujarat, where Patelji is from, but they moved to Bhopal. Okay. They're there for 2 generations. Lovely people, man. Lovely people. Every single one I met in Bhopal, bro. Good people, great place, good temperature to be in. They got married 2 years ago. So I was there for like 15 days for the wedding. What a wedding. What a time I had in the wedding. Guys, amazing. I'm getting called on for tea. Hold on. Yellow. 2 minutes. Excuse me. So, guys, Sora, bro, thank you for joining from Bhopal, man. I'll come back, I think, this year end or next year to Bhopal. Maybe we'll have a chat, bro. If you're taking a trade, would I get a copy trade warning? If I'm taking a trade, I always give out a heads up. Don't worry. Your mama's mind voice is welcome to the gym. Nidhi, bro, matter of fact is that I'm gonna join his gym next month, most probably. So he'll be like, I saw you this morning. Were you talking about me? TN Tamar 1246. Um, don't worry, man. I'll let you know if I'm taking a trade. That's what I usually do. Tea and shouting from family. Yes, sir. I'm pretty sure if my mom saw that, she's gonna be like, Arvind, you're doing too much. You shouldn't be saying all that on live. You never know who's watching from the family. You shouldn't be offending people. She'll sit me down. So, people, jokes apart, I'm gonna have tea and come back. If this goes to TP, I'll come back and do the push-ups. If I get another trade, I'll let you guys know. Okay? We'll be back after tea. I'll take a 10-minute recess right here. This trade, as you guys know, is running right. Let's see. Is this your very first prop firm account, or have you already received payouts? Okay. How many accounts have you blown until now? Bro, this is, I think, my 25th or 26th prop firm account. I've blown everything else before this. This account I've had successfully for the last 4 months. Um, Past first phase, this is the second phase. If I pass it, I'll definitely let you know. If I'm taking a payout, I'm gonna make a video on that. So don't worry. He will do actor Nambia style action. Yeah, man, I'll do that. Hey, Lizzie, welcome back. Guys, I'm gonna have tea. Please wait for me for 10 minutes. I'll be back. I'll give you other trades if it comes. I'll be back after 10 minutes, okay? Please say mom's dialogue in Tamil. It'll be good. தம்பி அதெல்லாம் சொல்லக்கூடாதுப்பா. That's how my mom would put it. So I hope you got that. All right, guys, I'll be back after tea, okay? Run timer for 10 minutes. Nah, man, I'll be back 10 minutes, give or take, all right? I don't put timings for tea when it comes to my family, so I'll be back. Thank you. Good morning, Sachin. Jashri, thank you. I'll be back.
What up, guys? I'm back.
I'm back after tea. So, thank God my mom did not listen to what I was saying. I'm happy. I'm not sure if my wife did. I'm pretty sure she's sleeping. She's not here. She's at her mom's place, so she should be sleeping by now. We're safe in that regards. So, all good. Coast is clear. Haha, Tambi, it's an emotion. Yes, sir. Love to hear in Tamil. 313. No, sir. I will not be taking that, Balaji, sir. I'm just looking at it. No, I need another confluence, man. This will not hit it. Okay. Um, Guys, price is playing very close to TP. I'm not sure how long this is going to take, but that's agonizing to watch. Come on, man. Get the TP. We're so close to it. 313. Hey, bro, Sudhir. How's it going, man? Good to see you, bro. Welcome, welcome. Right. So after this, let's just plan for the next trade if there's any. If that hits TP, boys and girls, this will be what I'll be looking at. Excuse me. So this right here will be the next ash zone. If price takes this zone, and this zone will be our focus, I'll be looking for another ash or a stop and trade. So the day we take a couple of green trades will be the day I think my account will change because now I'm going back and forth between. Oh, there you go. Hold on. I think he'll give us the verdict right now. So remember this. I showed you this has already been breached in spot. Okay. But this same area was not breached in futures. Okay, that's why I trade futures, guys. Futures, I think sometimes can be much better in terms of breaches because if you're going out of this, that should have been a sell towards the downside, but in the futures it wasn't breached. Always look for futures chart. I only play with COMEX chart. That's where I draw out and take my zones from, guys. Another TP, man, another TP, but I haven't got the confirmation yet. Hold on. Actually, it hasn't hit my TP yet in futures. Go on, take it. Nah, man, I'm still waiting. The spread hasn't taken my TP yet, boys. I gotta wait. But it's a valid three, 1 to 3. Sorry, it's a valid 1 to 3. Congrats. Come on, not again. It's happening like yesterday. I'll show you the trade. It's running right now. Oh God. I hope this doesn't reverse people because that is my TP. The price is actually playing with me right now, like yesterday. So you see that? There's the trade. $50 risk, which means $150 TP. That's $150 right there. I don't, excuse me, I don't compromise on my TPs. If it takes TP, that's good. But the only thing I can do is I can put the stop loss to break even because now we have got TP on paper. So that stop loss would go to break even. Will we get it live? Come on, buddy. Take me live. Come on. Come on. How could you not? You guys seeing this? He's playing with me, man. What? Bro, Price did tap me, but it didn't fill me, boys. Oh my God, this is insane. Again? Come on. Wonderful day again. Thank you, man. Rajat, bro, good morning. Guys, there you go. Come on. Let's go. Another TP, another live. Come on, man. You guys are doing great. That's TP for you. That's the email for you. That's what we usually do. That's a 1-3. We were lucky enough to get it because we were supposed to be sitting on a short here. 3-3 saved us and then put us into the right track. All right. That's TP, but we should be very careful on the next trade. Guys, that stop on zone has been hit. I'll be looking for other entries, but let's do 30 sit-ups. But 30 is a bit too much. What was the poll? Wait. What is the other symbol you saw before? Bro, that was spot and this is futures, man. And the other platform you saw, that was C Trader, man. That's where I execute my trades. Guys, I'm just gonna see what the poll said from YouTube because let's see how many push-ups I'm gonna do today. Sorry, sit-ups. That's TP, boys and girls. Congrats. How do I go see it? Hold on. Post. Guys, it's a tie. I got 44% for 30 push-ups and 44% for 15 push-ups. Sorry, sit-ups. My bad. What do you guys want to do? 30 or 15? Nice trade, bro. Thank you, man. Come on, guys. One last vote. Anyone can say 30 or 15. I'm ready for both. How many sit-ups? It's a tie right now, man. It's actually a tie. You do 30, we do 15. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. We're gonna make a thing out of this. We're gonna get fitter by just doing sit-ups. I think you can just watch me here, right? All right. 30, is it? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. It's been a while, man. It's been a while, people. Woo! Yeah, man, it is. That was nice. I love that. Oh, I badly want to go back to gym now. That felt good, boys and girls. We did 30. We're gonna do that from here on, okay? I'm thinking of having a tracker on how much push-ups and sit-ups we did. Uh, that'll be helpful, right? I'll put it somewhere on the screen. What do you guys think? Stop on entry, yes, sir. 1.5 minutes to go. Let's see. That's stop on tap right there. If this closes as this, I'm taking a shot here, boys and girls. Let me catch my breath because that was fun. All right, I'm gonna go to a spot and let's see. So, what? Which zone was it tapped? What zone was it? Oh, that's the wick down there. All right, guys. That's TP number one. I'm looking for the second trade. There is a big wick up there. Um, I'm skeptical about that wick. Hold on. That is a huge wick, man. Guys, I'll come back to the comments. Hold on. We have 57 seconds. If there's a strong closure towards the downside, I'm taking it, man. Hold on. Focus, guys, focus. This is real stuff. I'm not playing around here, man. 44 seconds. I'll tell you guys if I take a shot. Because rules are rules. I take two trades. This might be the second one, okay? All right. If I'm going short, stop hunt. Release a point. That's entry. That will be stop loss. 15 seconds, 0.13 pips. I'll be. Whew. Guys, if this closes strongly towards the downside, I'm taking a shot here, okay? Oh, it did not. It did not, guys. It did not. That wasn't the closure I was looking for. Not a trade, man. Not a trade. Nope. We're going to wait for this candle to close and see what's what. Bro, that changed last second. That's a dud candle right there. So that's not a shot. I'm waiting for, because look at this. That's not the confirmation I'm looking for. I want a strong confirmation, guys. That's not a confirmation. All right. I'll wait for next candle to see what it gives me, and then I'll take it, okay? All right. Wow, that was nice. All right, coming back to the chat, guys, we have another 4 more minutes. Let's see if we get another trade here, man. Guys, if we take 2 TPs in a day, bro, my account will be completely changed, brother. All right. It's all up to you. You'll only, we will only see, my brother. Sudeep, bro, we did it. Ash entry, yeah, we're looking at it. See you tomorrow again. Absolutely, I'll be here. This is an amazing way to complete your workout. I did. Stop an entry. Never would have thought trading would get you ripped. Sherry, bro, yeah, man, the trading is actually getting me ripped here. So, bro, good to go, man. I think this is gonna be whatever I do today, I'll feel it at night or the day after. So I won't feel it now. That was actually good, man. Lizzie, hi. Next target 40, 50. Let's see. Niranj says Niranj says crazy and he laughs. Saws the people. I'm actually loving this, man. We're gonna have a counter of how many we have done so far. So that over a course of a year, you know how many TPs and stop losses as well as the workout you've done during the live sessions. Won't that be nice to know how much you've done? All right. 2.5 minutes to kind of close. Let's see what happens. Nidhi, bro, no, man. I was fortunate enough, bro. I'm pretty sure my wife is sleeping. She's at her mom's place. My mom and dad did not see live. They usually see before I complete my live. So somewhere between the last 15 to 20 minutes, they watch to see how many people are coming. Is Arvind doing good? All that stuff. I don't blame them, but fortunately, this time they didn't watch it. So I'm happy. But one of my family members did. I'm not sure what are the reactions that's going to be when I meet him. I'll let you guys know. All right, people, let's do the 9 yards. Okay, hold on. Let me take this trade and then we'll change the pips, send it to Discord and all that stuff, okay? What's your schedule of your live stream? It's right here, my brother, 5:30 to 8:45. It's right at the bottom of your screen, okay? Live timings. All right, guys, 2 more minutes. Let's see if I get another setup here. I'm going to lock in here again. Let's see if I get another trade. If so, let's take another TP here. Okay, looks like this candle is rejecting heavily. Let's see. So I'm just going to push this aside so that I can get to see this. Guys, I won't be able to see your comments, so bear with me. I'm going to lock in here, man. All right, 1 minute for this candle to close. Guys, if it's a strong down closing candle, I'm taking a shot out of here, man. Okay? If it closes as is, I will definitely take a shot, which will look like this. Okay? Stop hunt. That's okay. Reset points. There you go. That'll be the entry. That'll be the exit. So something like that. All right? For now, there's no confirmation set. We have 47 seconds for price to decide what it wants to give us. If it's a sell, I'll take it. If it's a buy, I'll take it. Anything that comes through. Okay? Guys, always. Again, today someone said, I'm sorry, bro, price is going to go to stop loss. Man, we hit TP, bro. We've been doing this a while. We'll keep doing this. Regardless of what price wants to do after giving us an entry, we'll leave it up to the trading gods. But other than that, we will keep executing like a wild boar. All right. If it closes as is, so this is the lot size I'll be taking, 0.07 lots. We have 10 seconds, guys. If this closes as is, I'm taking a shot, man. That's it. Shot. 36.76, 37.76. All right, I'm in. $15 less. That's fine. 35. Okay. I'm short here, man. Short. SL is right there. Hold on. Yeah, right there. I'm going to take this off so that there's no confusion, people. That's done. TP is right here. Okay, we don't need this anymore. That's the second trade for today. Sorry, third trade for today. If this goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Okay. Right there. Stop loss sitting there. And TP. Okay. You execute, you forget. So what are you supposed to do? I'm supposed to send trade confirmation to Discord history. There you go. Let's go. All right. I've sent it in Discord. You guys can check it out. That's today. This morning's trade. Risk 50, exactly $150. That's beautiful risk to reward right there. 1 is to 3. 1,889 pips for that TP. It took 1 hour and 14 minutes. Awesome, isn't it? So we'll change that here. That's the pip calculator, guys. Guys, 2 TPs in a day would be glorious. Like last Friday, it was actually mind-blowing to get 2 take profits. But this one, let's see. All right, how much was it? 1,889. Okay, 1,889. All right, gonna copy this. Hold on, copy, then paste it in here. Okay, job done. Okay, one more thing. 1 is to 3 people. We got one yesterday, we got one today. Live, all live. Loving it. TP, I was a POF. Shoot. And we did plus 150, right? There you go. Let's see what this does. We don't need that line. Now it's up to trading gods. I'll come back to the chat because I'm doing some stuff. All right, guys, back to the chat. What's your schedule for your live stream? I said that. Are you going to see Spider-Man brand new day movie, bro? Nidhi, bro, not right now. Maybe after my wife gets back in a couple of weeks, man. I'll definitely go. But let me know, bro. Let me know how the movie went. I'd love to hear that review from you, man. 6 trades with you since last week. 4 targets and 2 stop losses. That's an impressive performance. Prasad sir, thank you. Appreciate it. We've been doing good on live. Thank you. It's been good, right? How can I get these indicators? Oh, that is a custom build indicator that you saw. The pip calculator, that's made by my best friend. I'm going to give it out to the course for free to whoever gets the course, right? So I'm not going to give it out for free because He made it. I can't do it. I'll give the 3 on 3 out for free though. So, hey man, what's the template? Oh, okay. Template to execute these trades. Simple. This trade I've executed with this zone here. Kept that stop on zone in mind. Price tapped, gave me an entry towards the downside. And now whatever it wants to do, it'll do. But it's a stop on trade. If it wants to go up, we let it, all right? Breakout failure. So price failed to break out this zone, right? So breakout failure. It's just the thing that I put to see if it was a reversal or a continuation. That's it. Man, did you calculate today's SL in Ledger? Yes, bro. I put that in Ledger, man. I'll show you. Wait, let this go to stop loss, then I'll show you. Market direction heading towards PDH or previous day high. Sure, bro. Let's see, guys. Let's see. All we do is execute. We wait. Okay. All right. That's 2 trades done. Okay. Second was a stop loss, right? So one stop loss, one TP, exactly like yesterday. Again, we tried another BOF, didn't work out. So minus 50. So we got 150 from the first one. So right now, 100 for the day. Still positive. We lost 50 on the first trade. So this is the first trade that you mentioned, my brother. I did put it in. That was a 3 on 3, right? So I've put it. So 3 on 3 sits in the left. You see that? Sorry. See this? That's the first trade for today. And 2 more trades. So pretty positive since yesterday. For stop ons, guys. Let's keep going. So that's the second trade. Unfortunate, man. If this were to be a green candle, I would have been sitting on a long there. But got the confirmation, got in. Follow the rules. The rest is up to trading gods, right? So we followed the rules here. People said that'll go to stop loss for sure. It went to TP. I mean, you never know what you're getting, right? So, guys, one more trade I have for 3 on 3. If I get a 3 on 3 trade, I'll let you know. But we've completed majority of what we've done. Hold on. Just trying to see if that 3 on 3. Yeah, man, that 3 on 3 wasn't valid, bro. Longs 12. Let's say it's 15, 80, 70. I am in the trade. My brother, chance to down. Nope, nope, take it out. Guys, always accept the losses. You never, ever put the trade without a stop loss. Even if it does come down, take it out. Now you get a better exit. Take it off, guys. Listen, there are other trades. Never trade without a plan. This was a plan, okay? That was the entry. We had that. We defined that entry. This stop loss was also defined. Even if this goes to TP from here, I don't care because it took my stop loss. That's it, right? Never hold on to losers, even if it goes to TP, because that is how you blow your accounts. Don't do it, bro. Take it out. Yep. Exit the trade, man. Can you explain what you meant by not valid? So this candle, bro, again, I have 2 conferences, guys. I have not given that out. Maybe next week on the course, but for me, I need to see strong candles, okay? So this is the gist of it, okay? There are 2 conferences. This is the gist, though. That's not valid because that's a doji, okay? I need strong closing candle like these. That's a strong closing candle. That's a strong closing candle. So for a short, I need something like that. For a long, I need something like that, all right? See this one? Price came, tapped this zone right here. That was a strong up closing candle. Boom. Long. What did price do? Gave us a TP, 1:3, all right? Mark out the zones, follow the rules. You'll get rewarded. Not always, but yeah. Good though. Still holding 20% from the previous trade towards buys. That's awesome, bro. Guys, we took an SL. How many? 15 push-ups, is it? Let's do it. Two, three, four, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 12, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wow. There you go. That's 15. Ow. I think I'll have to make a counter to this. Hold on. Shall we make a count, bro? Somewhere up here? We do have the adventure in the life. There we go. So the name of the channel is Life's Trade and Adventure, right? Trading is happening right here. Adventure is happening down there, man. Yes, sir. Not only what's a life timing, brother? Relax. My life timing is right here, man. 5:30 to 8:45 a.m. IST. Trading is now a mental and a physical thing. Let's go. It is. It's only come to SL to get our SL, bro. So there, that's okay, man. Listen, guys, you keep trying. As long as you get the trades and you execute, that's all that matters, people. Because getting a 1 to 3 is not easy. Guys, remember, we took 2 SLs and 1 TP. We're still ahead for the day. Still way ahead for the day. Do not worry about it. Keep stacking. Sorry, keep stacking these profit days one on top of the other. Eventually, man, you'll get there, bro. So have the patience to stacking. Guys, I'm gonna have a count for this, man, because that'll be magnificent. Uh, TP push up. Okay, that is gonna be there. Another thing is SL sit up. Okay, oh, put it somewhere up there. How many did we do? We started today, right? Or did we do push up yesterday? I'm thinking if we did push ups yesterday, man. Did we? On live? Guys, someone remind me, bro. I have no clue. I'm gonna anchor these. I'm gonna take this down a bit. How much did I put? 16? Yes. Actually saw that. That's awesome, guys. Okay, we also did yesterday, okay? Um, so what was yesterday's record? We took 1 TP, yeah? Oh, for TP we didn't celebrate. For SL we did. So we did 15 push-ups. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, 15 yesterday. Okay, what happened today? I got a TP. So 30 push-ups in total. All right, 30. This is going to be a thing, guys. 30. Let me put that closer. All right, sit-ups for stop losses, right? All right, how many did we take? Oh, did I do it wrong? Was I supposed to do? I'm confused here. I did 15. My God. Okay, 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 okay. 15 yesterday, 15 today. So that's 30, isn't it? Yeah, so 2 days, that's 30, correct? Yesterday, one stop loss. Today, actually, two. So that's 15, 30, 45, correct? Yep, 45 so far. Oh, I did the opposite. So confusing. Don't worry, I'll change it. Sit up. I understood. Sorry. SL means push up. Gotcha, gotcha. So this should be down here, correct? So if that's the case, we'll have to be doing congruent 15-15 because this looks wild because I don't want to have this number bigger than that number. Push for a sell. Okay. Push up for a sell. Got you. TP sit up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I got it now. It's giving you view. I hope it will give you same TP. Great. Hit the TP, sir. Just came from dropping the kids to school. Let's go. So that was beautiful. Oh, hold on. Guys, let's just keep it congruent so that over a period of 6 months, we'll know how many we have done. And we'll keep it at 15 and 15, all right? Because I don't want this SL number to keep rising and people thinking that we suck. We don't do that. Okay. Yesterday's TPs were one, today's one. So let's count it as two. Two sit-ups we have done. Let's put it as 30. All right. 30. Keep it 15-15. Yes, sir. 15-15 would be good. 15-15 is fair, right? There you go. 30 yesterday. Today we got how many stop losses? Two stop losses. Let's put 30 here. That is that'll be fun. All right, guys. And TradingView, it's hard to, nail them down. All right. We're gonna keep going with that. Let's see how much we end up with, right? That's fun. Woof. Lizzie, TP means after 10 meals to needy people. Oh, 10 meals to needy people? Bro, when I make money, maybe. Maybe. So we've hit 1,700 subs. Happy about it. Congrats, people. All right, guys, again, I have 13 more minutes. I have one more trade for today. If I get a 3-on-3, I'll let you guys know. Right now, I'm waiting for a setup. This is very unfortunate because we were sitting here, stop loss got whacked marginally, and now price is actually getting to TP. Ah, that was so mean, so mean. If I do every SL and TP, then you go need to gym, you save a lot of money. Just kidding. Yes, sir. Guys, I will join the gym soon because it's been so long since I stopped. Now I feel like I need to get back to it. Guys, that was actually unfortunate, man. I was so close. No, make it 30 for the sell, 15 for TP. Just remember the difference between stop loss and take profit. Bro, that'll mean that stop loss will be much larger than TPs. People who think that we suck in trading, people just get off live, right? We don't suck in trading. We got a 1:3 today, man, and only lost 1:2 worth of stop losses. So we're still up for this day. I hope we don't suck. Can you explain current trade? Yes, sir. I'll show it to you when you actually missed a good stop loss. So That's the stop and zone, right? Guys, you won't have this in spot market because this happened in futures. Okay, this is COMEX chart. This wick you won't see. I'll show you. You will not see this wick in spot market because spot moves differently than futures. We do our analysis in futures. Okay, that was the reason for this trade. This is the wick that I constituted as stop and zone. Price went in, tapped. This was not the entry candle for us. If you guys can see, that's a dud, meaning that's an indecisive candle. It closed right in between, didn't know what to do. But the next candle was a decisive downwards moving candle. Took a shot there, stop loss 100 pips above this with the buffer, but the buffer get tapped. But you never know what price is going to do. So that was the reasoning behind that trade. We follow our rules to the T. We keep executing. Eventually, we'll get there. Okay. Good run. Today, we're still positive. $150 positive for today. Again, decent. Okay. Yesterday, we were profitable too. Yesterday, $100. Today, 50. So, strides in the right direction, right? Hey, man. I'm sorry, but I am in trade hold for sell. Or you're holding your sell, bro. It's up to you, bro. But you'll only get the discipline that you need to become a big trader when you accept the fact that that's a loser right there, right? If you want to hold it, bro, I won't hold it against you. Okay. But guys, as far as I'm concerned, that's a stop loss. I'm not I'm not scared of taking stop losses. I'm not worried about taking stop losses. That's the part of the game. But imagine, bro, Ajmira, listen, what happened if price just kept on pushing? What happened if you got a candle like this up here? Your stop loss, which was supposed to be a $50, would now turn into $200. So you're losing four trades worth of capital in one trade, which should have been taken out here. Okay, guys, always weigh in your positives and negatives. Never trade without stop losses. When you do, that's how you blow accounts. I don't want my people to be blowing accounts. Please don't do it. Okay, as long as you had your stop loss there and it didn't take you, fine. I'm okay with that. I totally agree with you on that point. But if you don't have a stop loss and if price goes beyond that point, that's when I don't agree with, right? That's what I don't agree with. So always people, rules are rules, play with the rules. That's how you survive the long run. That's how you thrive in the long run. Okay? Hope that makes sense. Guys, I'll be here for the next 15 minutes. Any questions, you let me know, but I'm also looking for other trades. This one is smacked. So let's see, guys. Someday, not someday, soon, we're going to catch two, T- two TPs with 3 on 3s and stop ons. That's going to happen, man. So two TPs meaning if I'm catching it in right risk, usual risk amount, that's what 300, 300, $600. Badri, bro, welcome. Balaji, bro, welcome. There we go. Badri, bro, took it with me and took the profit, man. Congrats, man. Yeah, thank you for sharing that, bro. Means a lot. Guys, if you haven't already joined Discord, see, we're building a beautiful community. Let's see how many people are there in Discord, man. Because last time I saw, I was mind blown by it. Um, so that's Badri, bro, giving us the fact. Whoa, that's $1,000 right there, my boy. That's good, bro. 26 minutes. That's sweet, brother. What size is this account, bro? Badri? Guys, 46 people are online. How many are offline? 286 are offline. What does that give us? Almost 330 people in Discord. Wow, man. I'm just, I'm just, just speechless. 330 people. That's amazing. That's amazing, man. I have an SL, but don't touch, bro. I got you, bro. Jmira, don't worry. Well done. Guys, I would have been very happy if this didn't happen. I mean, but it's okay. That's the part of it. Lots of new people joining Discord. Welcome, man. SD, Dibendra Ka, welcome. Redson, hi. Anthony, Raj, Toy T, Mahima, welcome, welcome. Balaji, Traded 2016, Padri, Saurabh, guys, welcome. Listen, again, disclaimer, big disclaimer. There are people impersonating me. They will text you, they will send you friend requests. Do not accept it, okay? If you're watching this, please don't fall for the scams. There are a lot of scammers out there. I don't want my people to get scammed again, okay? I'm pretty sure there haven't been any reports of scams. They've attempted it. I have a dedicated scammers tab for it, okay? People do see all this. Look at this, man. That's people impersonating me. That's three different accounts, okay? People will try to do everything in order to scam you. Please do not get scammed. I won't text you first. Even if you want to DM me, click this and then send a message from there. Okay, click that, send a message. You should have the information from there. DM me from my own message in the trading community or analysis community. Okay, there we go. That's a nice trade, brother. So, guys, always remember, do not fall for scams. It's not me texting you. I won't ask you for money. Okay, nope. Even after I have a course out, I won't be advertising it every time. All right. I don't want to be advertising it. I'll just say once. And then if someone asks me about it, I'll just say, point them to the right direction and then be mute about it. I'm not here to sell shit. I've been asked to make a course. I'll do it and then I'll zip about it. Yeah. Don't worry, guys. I won't ask you for money, man. Man, God has given me enough different ways. I'm happy about it. All right, guys. 13 more minutes for today. Hopefully, we catch another one. We haven't got a monster this month for 3 on 3. Let's see, man. I'm waiting. You guys became silent suddenly. That would have been glorious. Loads of liquidity needed for news events. Market eating liquidity for breakfast. Yes, sir. This liquidity was beautiful. Not streaming, buddy. I am right now. Someone just asked me if I'm not streaming in Discord. I'm actually streaming right now. All right, what was I saying? Any other entry? I will wait for it. Don't worry. This is done. I'm waiting for 3 on 3s now. Um, let's see. If I get one, guys, I'll let you know within the next 10 minutes. Otherwise, I'll bugger off. That's the fun about catching monsters, right? When you catch a real one, it will be magnificent. Absolutely, my brother. Sorry, absolutely, my brother. Because 3 on 3 monsters, man, I love those monsters, bro. Because if we could have caught this last month, that would have been nice. And second was, if I could have been doing live when I did catch these three things, bro, I would have been so happy for you people because those were back-to-back TPs with 3 on 3, man. Because the amount of stop losses I've taken after is a lot, but catching these 1 is to 25, 1 is to 12, and 1 is to 7, bro, cherry, bro, that felt very good, man. That felt very good. Those were back to back to back, man. I actually love doing that. So that's why I still hold on to my 3 on 3 trades. I still disciplinedly, execute those trades. Again, bro, Balaji, bro, it's nothing, man. BOF. Like, I should take that off the chart. I mean, off the thing. BOF meaning price came down to the stop hunt. It did not break through. That's not a continuation, so it failed, right? So breakout failure from our zone, stop hunt, and BOS meaning this. So we took a continuation. If we take a continuation, that's a break of structure, BOS. Breakout failure, break of structure. So this is the structure, it breaks in. So it's just for me to understand if that was a trade that behaved like a liquidity grab or was it a trade that went through after taking the liquidity. Okay, simple. Thank you, man. Guys, I'm going to take it off because that's very confusing for people. Excuse me. I actually don't need it. I actually don't need to see which it was. If it was a break of structure or a breakout failure, I don't actually need it. So I might actually take it off because I don't want to confuse people. That doesn't matter. What matters is these things. Do we take TPs? Do we take SLs? What is the bottom line for the month? Right? That's all that matters. So guys, don't worry about it. Right in silver, stop on 3 on 3. Patel sir, no, I haven't traded 3 on 3 in silver. Maybe it will work, maybe it won't. I'm not sure, man. Okay, explain break of structure. So break of structure is simple, guys. This is, I think, ICT concepts. This is break of structure, okay? You see this? I'm giving you in a higher level. That structure you call. So price made a structure, okay? Structure was broken and price kept on going with the direction of the trade, okay? Break of structure. That's what I call break of structure. Price almost came back, tapped, continuous, all right? Breakout failure is this morning. Oops. Change of character, I don't care about, but these are the only two things I worry about. So that was for me breakout failure. Okay. So if price wanted to break out, it would have done this break of structure, but price failed to break out from the previous stop and zone. So breakout failure. So BOF. That's what. I hope that's clear. Guys, you don't need this, man. You don't need all this. That's just for me. Okay. Don't stress about this. Stop hunt's a simple. That's all that I've told you about. Um, just follow the rules for stop hunt. You need price to get back to previous lows, valid lows and highs. When it gets there, wait for the reaction in the next 5 minute candle. It's a strong closure upwards, buy, strong closure downwards, sell. That's it. Keep it simple, people. Should we pyramid on same level? No, bro. KJ, listen, man, guys, never take two trades with the same idea. Yes, I got a stop loss here. Yes, now if you want to look for other trades, you might think of that as the next ash zone, but never piggyback thinking it might happen again and then go for that same trade idea. Same trade ideas doesn't work. Once you take a stop loss, that zone should be wide. You'll have to be looking for the next zone which got built in after that was, taken. All right, guys. KJ, bro, don't piggyback on it, man. You're welcome, Dr. Kumar. See you tomorrow, brother. Have a great day. See you too, bro. I'll be here for the next six minutes to answer questions. Once that's done, I'll bugger off too. Have a great day, Sherry, bro. Is the trade on? No, bro. I got out. This trade, we took a TP for 1 is to 3. And the next trade, I got a stop loss, man. So 3 trades so far, 2 stop losses, 1 TP. 1 TP was 1 is to 3. Everything live. Most of the strategy will work with silver as gold and silver move in the same direction 90% of the time. Yeah, I do agree. You guys can test it out. Guys, the reason why I stay with gold is that When you look at one chart every single day, you get used to it. I think you get better when you do one single thing. It's like what Bruce Lee says. I don't fear a guy who practices 1,000 different kicks. I fear a guy who practices one kick 1,000 different times. Okay? Bruce Lee, love you. So I follow him. So that's why I keep practicing and executing in one pair, one strategy, one time frame. Okay? 5 minutes for stop ons, 1 minute for 3 on 3s. Religiously, I follow these rules. Very successful in the last 2 weeks. We have successfully added Ash to the mix, which is also going great. We are at least taking one TP every 2 days. Look at this. We added Ash on the 3rd of July. After that, this is the only patch we had 6 days without take profits. But after that, man, look at this. Almost every other day we had TPs, especially last week, we had one TP at least every day. This week, out of 3 days, we have taken two take profits. So I love the momentum. We're going to hold on to that momentum and keep going. All right. What's the range you keep for stop hunts? Bro, 4 candles, both sides. Okay. Stop hunts, 4 candles towards the downside, 4 candles towards the upside, making a low. That stop hunt low. Again, flip side, 4 candles, green candles, 4 red candles, that will become a high. Okay. Valid. I need 4 candles. It doesn't have to be back to back. You have to be able to see it. Okay. You see this? Guys, careful. Sorry. Focus. That's a beautiful low. You see that? That's way more than 4 candles. See this push down and aggressive push up. That's top and zones, man. You need a V, okay? Even this is a beautiful V. That's another beautiful stop and zones. That's what I look for when it comes to stop and zones, okay? I hope that's clear, man. Sir, put video for Ash. Sendil Kumar, bro, I'll definitely, man. Listen, guys, I'm way behind on videos. Once the course is done, I'll start making the videos again for YouTube because I don't like to do two things at once. I focus on one thing at a time. The course is almost done. Next week on, you'll see the videos for all the trades we've done so far and strategy video for Ash, aggressive stop-ons. Okay. Thank you. I will do it. Apologies for not doing it until now, but I'll do it. Bro, are you not in the same trade? So, bro, no, man, I'm done for that, bro. Uh, okay. Like, do you still believe in the sell trade? Man, that's done, man. Guys, I only get to take 2 trades per day for strategy. This strategy is done because I took the second trade here. I won't look for other zones. I won't, you know, disturb my mental peace by looking for other zones and trades. Okay, that's it. 2 trades per strategy. I still have one more for 3 on 3. That's the only thing I'm focused on. And that's what I keep looking at my phone. Okay. Only thing that I'm worried about right now is am I getting a setup with 3 on 3? That's it. Okay, I'm planning to take 25K funded account next month, which is firm should I take? Which firm? So go for funding pips. Again, I don't have any types with them. It's not an advertisement. It's what I do. If you ask my suggestion, that's what I do. One step flux account, 25K funding pips. That's what I would recommend. Beautiful rules, amazing account, pretty user friendly, and also good price, right? Dear bro, I invite your parents to visit KL for holiday. Can stay at my place and sightsee on me. Dr. Kumasa means a lot. I'll definitely bring them to KL someday. I really appreciate it. Means a lot to me because you trust me to invite me to your house. Thank you, man. I'll definitely do it, bro. Love that invitation. I'm gonna take a screenshot of that and I'll call you out on that. No, I'm just kidding. Don't worry. I'm very happy. I'm actually very, very happy. Thank you. Means a lot. Thank you for the live session. I'll be waking up to join it from beginning tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Chad, you're welcome. Really nice to have you. I'll see you tomorrow. We're live every single day, guys. I have next 30 seconds to say bye. Okay. No, man, not like that. I'm asking you if your stop loss didn't trigger, would you still continue the sell trade? I want to know your psychology. Yeah, man. If my stop loss doesn't trigger, bro, I'm sitting on that trade. Don't worry. No, today you broke. I broke a rule, but I had a good feeling with this trade. I was feeling it will go down. That's why my SL. I get in trade again after 34. So, there, bro, it's nice that you understand the fact that you broke a rule and you acknowledge that you've broken the rule. Next time, don't do it, man. If there's a rule, it's not meant to be broken. All right, guys. It's like welcome from Rajasthan. All right, people. This is me signing off. All right. We had a great session. One TP with a 1:3, two stop losses. That's fine. We're still up by $50 by my risk. If you're risking way up there, it's a positive day for you. Congratulations. Thank you for being here. Guys, 87 of you guys stuck around until the end. Means a lot to me. Thank you so much. I'll be here tomorrow at the same timings, 5:30 in the morning, Indian Standard Time. So whenever Tokyo is open for you guys, if you guys haven't joined Discord yet, go ahead. I'm pretty much active there. Lovely to be doing lives. Amazing to getting to know you. Forget the stories I've told. Don't tell my family. Okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is Arvind and Rangaswamy signing off. Have a great day, people. Take care.